하나, 둘, 셋. All right, this is episode Merciful Talk, episode 6. We have a guest, Grace
I'm
Tang.
here again.
Here again, my wife. And here we have another guest.
Hello.
Her name
My
is
best
Hannah Cho,
friend.
Yes.
best friend of
Hi.
Grace.
Mhm.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so thanks for coming. 이거 영어로 해야 돼? Are we doing this in
Yes,
English?
we're going to do this in English.
Even for me too?
We can mix it up
Okay,
Yeah.
let's
a bit.
mix it
Because
up
we're
a little
both
bit.
second gens.
I'll talk in whatever the language I feel more comfortable at the
Sure.
time I'm asking
Okay.
or answering. Okay.
Yes.
So, pretty casual, just don't get nervous or anything because
Okay.
only 200 people watch. Okay?
Only
So it's not like
200.
200K, you know, whatever you say make any difference or, you know, it's just for our own, like, fun.
Right.
To have fun for ourselves.
Exactly.
Okay, 이거 지금 녹화되고 있나?
I think the red light is on. So.
Okay, so just put it in the middle.
Okay.
Okay.
너무 긴장돼 있어. 어? 그렇게 할 필요는 없고. So you're a very articulate person in the way you speak.
I try. We'll see.
It's awesome, like her skills,
Mhm.
language skills is very
Thank you.
gifted.
Mhm.
I always felt like. So 항상 약간 그 한나 보면은 팟캐스트 하자 이런 얘기를 했다가 드디어 이제 오게 됐는데. So is this your first podcast?
Yeah, literally. I think first time being
얼굴이
filmed
좀
for
빨개졌어.
anything. So
긴장했나
I know
봐.
I can kind of feel my ears flushing a bit, but I think
그래.
it'll settle down after a couple.
오케이 이거 좀 약간 보통 한 20분 정도 하다 보면은 이게 좀 내추럴해지거든.
Yes, and I'm just curating like a very public persona of being like
Mhm.
calm, and then maybe my real personality will come
For
out.
sure.
그래서 무슨 얘기를 할까? So we kind of always were wondering which topic we're gonna. Why is my hair something wrong with my hair?
Yeah, you have like a white hair sticking out.
뽑아봐.
아니야, 근데 그렇게 막 노ticeable 거
Ow.
아닌데.
Oh, sorry, I got a black hair too. I got one
No,
of
it's a
each.
blend.
I got
Oh,
one
it's
of
a-
each, so it's okay.
Okay, is it better now?
Yeah.
That's good. So we always wondered which topic we're gonna cover,
Yeah.
and the one thing that we both always agreed was every time when we have talk, when Hannah comes over to my place, we always end up talking about politics
Mhm.
or something about gender issues, right?
Yeah.
So I think it'd be really fun to talk about gender inequalities or gender conflicts, the different views, right? Obviously, we're not here to
Yeah.
argue with each other
Yeah.
because I don't think we really argue.
No, I
Right.
feel like
Is that-
our conversations are usually like charged
Yeah.
topics, but it's never an offense to each other. Like
Mm-hmm.
nobody's like having a hot debate. It's just more like let's talk about these like topics, issues of contention, but more to like gain insight from each other's opinion, not to like prove a point. I
Right.
feel like.
그래서 if it was someone else, I think I might not have really agreed to do this with any other woman, but I figured Hannah was a little bit
Any other
Yeah.
more
way.
objective.
Yeah.
Right? So we can just like, you know, merely share different views and perspective as a woman and
Yeah.
a man. And Grace, you can always kind of like talk about based on reflection of our own life experience at home.
Right.
'Cause
Wow, you're
we
giving
are
her
so-
permission to just
Mhm.
open
So we're-
access,
Yes.
transparency.
No, because I have a right to edit. No, because you know we have specific roles in our home,
Mm-hmm.
and that always kind of comes in handy when we're able to back up our logic or
Yeah.
whatever, right?
Yeah.
For sure.
영어로 하려니까 굉장히 불편하네.
You can
Um,
use Korean.
알았어.
저라고 있어.
Oh.
Okay, well,
You can use Korean.
so I've done some research, right? So based on like AI, now
Okay.
Gemini is my favorite tool.
Thank you, ChatGPT.
So no,
okay.
Gemini. I
Oh,
said
Gemini.
literally.
Oh.
Gemini literally said Gemini.
Okay.
Okay, so
Thank you, Gemini.
okay, so 이번에 I you know I brought some data that we could you know use based
I'm excited.
use it as a base
Yeah.
to kind of build our conversation on. Maybe the first thing we could talk about is like the pay gap and glass ceilings, right?
Okay.
I think it'd be nice to talk about the Korean society. Although none of us really know so much about Korean society, just you know, we get to indirectly know about the Korean societies through
Yeah.
like online, like a media or whatever.
I can see both sides though, because I think the gender issues in Korea seem a little bit more extreme. Well, I feel like it's a touchy subject overall, like wherever you go, but sometimes the things you hear in Korea, like that are gender based, are kind of skewed very extreme, like both ways, like from both men and women, I feel like. But I think they both have valid points. So I wouldn't say like I'm completely supporting one side over the other. Like there's a reason why people are really upset when it comes to this topic, and everyone has a right to feel that way based on their own life experiences of being a man or a woman. So it's
지금 뭔가 내가 느끼기에는 한국에서는 지금 좀 인터넷에서만 그런 면이 있긴 하지만 실제로 만나면 in real life people aren't really fighting against each other so badly. But online it almost looks like there's a war going on like every day between two different gender in Korea. 지금 약간 좀 그게 문제거든. 한국에서는 그 갈라치기 남녀. 근데 정치인들도 그거를 갈라쳐서 그거를 자기들이 그 더 favorable하게 그러니까 투표 받으려고 선거 때 뭐 그런 것도 좀 있고.
I also feel like maybe Korean people are not as vocal in real life because a lot of them are more introverted, so they're not as likely to express like their true opinions to people, especially if they don't feel like it's a safe space. And they only would say things like how they really feel about these topics, like to a very small group of people. So maybe that's why we don't hear it as often. But I'm sure a lot of people still harbor a lot of those opinions inside. Because I think for me, when these conversations come out with my friends that are from Korea and they've only been living here a couple of years, like they're actually pretty honest.
Yeah.
And some of the opinions are quite
what were those opinions like? Based on your conversation you had with some of newly arrived Koreans, what do you think are the biggest issues?
I think the first thing that comes to mind is like the 고부 갈등.
Oh yeah.
What's that again?
Like when you're married,
시어머님이랑 딸이랑
as a 며느리, like what do I need to do as like
Your
a married?
mother-in-law?
근데 그건 이미 결혼했었잖아. 근데 지금은 뭐 슈카월드에서도 나왔지만 20대, 30대 it's like one of the really famous Korean YouTuber.
Okay.
근데 지금 한국에서 I think 20 in the Koreans that are in their 20s 지금 결혼 안 한 percentage가 96% or something.
What?
It's extremely high.
That's crazy, actually.
그래서 사실 너가 말한 거는 결혼을 하고
나서니까,
있지만 사실 결혼 아예 안 한다는 것에 대한 지금 문제도 있는 거거든.
그것도 약간 젠더 이슈에 좀 관한 그런 게 좀 있지 않아?
당연하지.
So then, are people still dating then? Are they just
데이팅은 하는 거 같아.
dating and not getting married?
I think that's a big pattern over there.
Okay.
그래. 그러면은 결혼을 안 하는데 좀 더 어그로를 끌자면 whose fault is it? Do you think it's a woman or a man? Like, are you guys biased?
I think it's like more of like the society's
Yeah.
problem at that point. Like, there's a reason why both men and women choose not to get married because it's just so hard, like living conditions and like housing price, right?
Oh yeah, for sure.
In Seoul especially.
근데 사실 결혼을 안 하는 거는 꼭 한국만의 문제는 아니고 지금 전 세계적으로 그러는데 왜냐면 옛날 농경 시대 때 agricultural society 때는 each offspring was considered to be an asset that brings
That's why they had big families back
income to the families like when we're all
Yeah.
farming and you have like 5 kids and 2 die. 진짜로 무슨 갑자기 맹장염 걸려 죽고 whatever.
Yeah.
Like hygiene wasn't up to the standard. People
Right.
just die right out of no reason. People weren't vaccinated back then. So in order to have enough sufficient labor force per family, you had to have a lot of children. 근데 지금은 그게 아니니까 it's more of like liabilities now. One more kids you have until they grow up and become economic themselves. 그러니까 좀 안 낳는 게 큰데.
그것도 팩터가 있고, like as Grace mentioned, like I do think there's fault in like societal expectations because especially in, well I mean here as well I think Vancouver weddings are considered quite expensive, but in Korea like you even hear this saying like 돈 없으면 결혼 못 한다고.
Yeah.
And like they're making it seem like such a class privilege thing to do when it shouldn't be considered that way. And then there's also expectations like, oh, the man needs to pay for this, like the woman's family needs to pay for all of that. Oh, the man needs to make sure that he can provide for the house, but like who can purchase a house completely on their own now, right?
지금 사실 record low 결혼율은 like you said 경제적 장벽, financial barrier.
Yeah.
Right? Then the shift in the values 가치관의 변화. And
Yeah.
there's like a gender issues too. But I think the major part is probably about financials.
Oh yeah, for sure.
한국 사람들.
Yeah.
Yeah.
근데 약간 그게 있잖아. 한국 사람들은 결혼하면 남자가 집을 해오고, so
It's a big
men have to
thing.
prepare their house.
Right. Like
Yeah.
they're the breadwinner.
Housing, yeah. So
Right.
Yeah.
한국은 there's this thing concept called 전세. You know what 전세 is?
It's like when they pay the deposit, right?
Exactly,
Like the
and
large
then
deposit.
and then the landlord use that lump sum deposits to accrue interest or whatever.
Right.
And so it's still a lump sum, like hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Like pretty
몇억
large
정도 돼.
amount, right?
Yeah. 그래서 남자가 집을 해가고 여자들은 이제 혼수, like furniture,
Furniture, all the appliances.
I don't know. 내가 남자로서 얘기를 하자면
아직도 그래 근데?
I think it's shifting away just because realistically,
Yeah.
like, but then I think before people get married, the parents kind of talk about it. Hey, what do you guys expect out of this marriage?
That's
Like,
crazy.
are you trying to go traditional?
It's really weird.
아,
Okay.
오케이 되고 있어.
그 남자들의 입장은 난 이런 것 같아. 왜냐면 남자들은 군대를 갔다 오잖아. 한국 사람들은.
That's a big one.
Right.
Yeah.
군대를 갔다 오면은
A
so
lot of
women
resentment.
are 2년 정도는 더 advanced in terms of 그 economic activities. They're 2 years ahead of men than most men, right?
Yeah.
그렇기 때문에 women have a lot more chance to be able to save money than men.
2 more years, I guess.
Well, 2 more years is still a lot.
But they're also in university at that time.
Like when the
Yeah,
guys are
but
going to
Yeah.
Overall,
military.
you guys still have two
Like
more
2
years
year
ahead,
head
right?
start.
So,
Yeah.
근데 이제 남자는 그런데 집을 해온다고 하면은 how? Right? Unless you have
Right,
parents that
right.
can
Right.
부모님이 좀 도와줄 수 있지 않으면 how are you gonna come up with the deposits or
I think that expectation is like changing though, right? Because that's not very
너무 말이 안
realistic
돼.
anymore.
I think
Yeah.
내 생각에 너네 지금 90년대생이잖아. 80년대생부터 그런 게 좀 생겼어.
음.
There was no such a thing as like man come up with deposits. 여자들
Wait,
그거
so
before
from the
like
80s?
You mean
before
until the 80s? 그게 있었다고.
people that were born in 80s.
Mhm.
그러니까 내 세대 때가 오히려 그게 생겼다고. It's not from you guys, I think. I feel like
For the men to
그
I think that was there
집-
before.
No 그런 게
Even
없어.
in the
내가 나 어렸을
70s.
때만 해도 70s에 남자가 집회고 그런 문화 없었다니까.
아, 진짜?
I think 그런 거 없었던 거.
What? Oh.
Yeah, it's
I
pretty
thought it was
relatively
more
new.
older.
That
Yeah, I
kind of
thought it'd
shifting.
be way older.
I thought it was from like Joseon shit.
Yeah.
What really?
I don't know.
So
Actually,
so then you're saying that
아니야,
that
이-
expectation was only there for 10 years.
10, 20 years, not even. I feel like.
Well, it's
I
just
thought
그냥
the economy's
한국에서 아니야 우리 엄마 아빠 세대
collapsed.
때는 우리 엄마 아빠 세대 때는 그런 거 없어. 단칸방에서 그냥 시작이야.
또 오히려 그게 낫지.
아,
그래
그런가?
그냥 뭐 남자
어.
뭐 그런 게 어딨어. 그냥 다
Like
거지인데.
the,
야 한국 전쟁
관심이.
끝나고는 다 거지였어. Okay, after Korean War,
Yeah.
Korea was just like a 거지들. Whole bunch of like 거지 나라.
So
Right?
maybe they should go back to
그때는
that
그냥
mindset.
남자고
right?
여자고가 없어. 그냥
That is kind of interesting.
개처럼 열심히 사는 거. 남자들은 막 그때 막 포항 제철소 막 이런데 막 조선업,
Right.
right? Like building ships, like vessels,
Yeah.
right? Like you're in steel manufacturing, all these like dangerous, like hard labor jobs, right? Whereas
Yeah.
women were working their ass off too, like working in the factories. There was like a lot of Korean older generations are like mom's era.
Yeah.
They went to like Germany, like to work as nurses.
Oh yeah,
Remember?
I saw that
And
in
then
a
the Korean
movie.
man went to like Germany to work as like a mining person.
Yeah, and they would always like get married like.
국제 시장인가 영화에서 나오잖아.
맞아.
Right? 그때는 그냥 남자 여력이 없었다니까.
Wait,
그냥-
but then now, based on what you said, Peter, what that reminds me of in the drama though,
Yeah.
in Poksak and like those kind of dramas,
Yeah.
like even though it isn't full expectation, oh man needs to provide the house. Technically, the woman when she gets married into the family, she goes to live with the man's family though, like the paternal household.
한국에서 맞아. 우리 부모님 세대 오히려 그게 있었어.
So in a way, it's like if the wife is going to live with the husband's family, isn't that
Right.
in a way the man is still providing
I
the house?
guess. Yeah.
So isn't that
그렇지.
kind
근데 그랬지. 왜냐면 옛날에는 너 말대로 다 처가 저기
시댁으로
와이프들이
가잖아.
시댁으로 그래서 옛날에는
시댁 살이를
오히려
하고 거기서.
맞아.
이런 뭐 남자가 집해오고 이런 건 없었지만 it was more like 처가 저기 시집살이를 많이 했지.
맞아.
Right.
우리
부모님 세대
할머니도 할아버지랑 결혼하고
She went to live with his
yeah,
family.
yeah, she had to go live there and then cook for all of his siblings because he's the oldest
맞아.
son and his parents, and like
맞아.
had no life except for
맞아.
cook for them, be their maid.
맞아.
Yeah.
그때는 뭐 세탁기가 있어 뭐가 있어.
Right.
디시워셔가 있어 뭐가 있어. 그때는 그리고 남자가 귀했어.
그치.
그 할머니 할아버지 세대 때는 차별이 진짜
맞아,
그건
맞아.
real
그거 같았어.
discrimination.
Yeah.
Like gender discrimination was really up in the ceilings. 남자들만 이렇게 하고.
그치.
I guess that makes
확실히.
sense though, like why it
Yeah.
rolls out that way, where
Right.
it's like now that they're not living with the family anymore, but still the man is still expected to provide a
Right.
house because that's kind
So
of
it's
how
like
it was operating in
Where the
olden
expectation
days.
came from.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah,
it stems
that
like
makes sense.
that. Yeah,
Because
in a
even in
way.
the drama, I think the girl had to bring something to the house, like
그거야.
blankets or something.
그거야.
Yeah.
그게 혼수야.
make the house a home.
어.
막 약간 남자 막 시계를 사주는가 뭐 이런 게 있거든.
basically.
여자 쪽에서.
Wait, so can we talk more about like today's generation, like and us, like as
Sure.
in this modern society
Uh-huh.
where we live in Vancouver,
Yeah.
how like our gender affects us in our day-to-day living. Like I think
I
that
love
would
that.
be really fun to talk about.
I love
Okay.
And
that.
I have a lot of things to say.
Can you elaborate?
Ooh.
Yunichi?
I always love
Um,
Grace's opinions.
So now that I am a wife and I am a mom, I just find myself having 2 full-time jobs.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Right? Like I have my 9 to 5. I go to school, I work as a teacher, and then I come home and then I have like another job to take care of my children, to make sure our house has everything like it needs to keep running.
Right.
And that itself is like a full-time job. So like
Oh,
I understand
absolutely.
when moms who stay at home, like that is a full-time job, right? And for us to do both, like that's expecting a lot on
Oh,
society.
100%.
Yeah, of society. And of course there are husbands who help out, and of course like you help out a lot.
얘 나 feel better 할까 봐 갑자기 나.
No, because you're giving me like a weird look. But it's just like so I don't know, it's like draining.
And don't you feel
Yeah.
like the job at home almost feels like thankless unpaid labor or invisible
Yeah,
labor in a
invisible
way?
labor, of course. Yeah, like no one's paying me to do my own laundry, cook the meals for my family, clean
But
for my house.
it's manpower hours.
Right.
You're taking time out of your day. It exerts
exactly.
your
And then
energy.
people always say, "Oh, but you can hire someone to like clean your house. You can hire someone to cook for you." But at the end of the day, we're living paycheck by paycheck. Like
Yeah,
we
and
can't
most of
afford
us
to
are,
hire
yeah,
that. Yeah.
honestly.
So
근데 남자도 똑같은 것 같아.
Of
결국에는
course.
옛날에는
yeah.
So I think that's 이 gender issue가 at the end of the day it's all linked to inflations and housing prices,
Yeah.
affordability issues,
Right.
where not just one but man, like even if they work really hard,
Yeah.
they're always like they can always fall short,
Yeah.
like financially, right?
Mhm.
Not only that, but the views has been shifting a little bit too lately. So man, not just work from outside, but they still have to come home and help with house chores and everything, right? So I think it's kind of balancing out right now, where
Yeah.
no one's happy. I don't know, no
Right.
one's happy, but like everybody's still, it's
Yeah.
everybody has to do everything nowadays. Whereas back in old days, I think that the roles were pretty well distinguished between gender,
Right.
right?
But
So
I don't know what's better. Like, if you were to tell me, okay, Grace, like, I'm making enough money, you don't have to work, you just stay at home and be a stay-at-home mom. I don't know if I would
Like, you would
also
like
love
that,
that job
right?
either, because then I'm not making any income.
근데 그거는 너잖아.
Right.
You would
That's
only
me.
think that.
Yeah.
But we're
Because
우리는
she always tells me her job is so fulfilling.
she does.
She's got a
Yeah,
really
I
good
love
network.
my
job, yeah.
she does that. She does tell me that.
Yeah.
Too.
Yeah.
But as a parent, I see the toddlers, our kids.
Yeah.
I feel like they could have been more emotionally settled, or
I feel
more
like your kids are
정서적으로
very
more
smart.
like where if when they open up their eyes in the morning, well, it's not like she's always not there, but that comfort feeling, knowing that their mom's gonna be with them throughout the whole day or whatever. I think that but now it's kind of late because they're already like 3, 4, 5 years old that they go to school.
Yeah.
But before then, at least up until 3, like having that nice safe feelings, that does sort of affect your brain activities for the rest of your life. I feel like.
Yeah,
Like,
like-
subconsciously, right? So 그런 거 생각하면 I think it would be nice if I was like making millions of dollars a year and could have like Grace to
I
just be a
heard.
stay-at-home mom for at least the kids can turn like 2-3 years old.
Yeah, I heard somewhere in
The
Europe.
first developmental
Was it
years.
in Norway? I can't remember, but the mat leave it's like 3 years,
Oh wow.
and here
okay.
it's 12 months or 18
Yeah,
months
12
if you,
to 18.
but it's not like you get paid for the next
3
6
years.
months.
It's like they're really honoring that
Yeah.
the developmental years.
And
of
it's
the
also
kid.
like they offer it to the dads too.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
okay.
so I think
It's
like dads can
parental
take
leave,
that.
yeah.
But it's like 3 years, and I'm just like, what? Like we need to have that because I remember like when I had Rua, she's like 16 months. I have to send her to daycare. Like, she's so sad every morning, and it just breaks my heart because like I know I have to go to work, but I feel like this should be my priority, being a mom, but I'm not able to
Okay.
do that, and like that really broke my heart.
I think that's a really interesting thing you guys bring up because as someone that doesn't have kids, like
Mm-hmm.
I don't really know what the day-to-day experiences is like with the whole daycare situation.
Mm-hmm.
But one thing that stuck with me is like my husband's I think colleague. She has 2 daughters, but I think her second daughter has like some high functioning like autism spectrum traits. But she had told my husband that what she believes is a big factor that maybe made her kid a bit more like struggle with like stability growing up is that they sent her to daycare too early.
Yeah.
Like, she doesn't have evidence, but she's like, she's like, I regret that so much. I should have never sent her to daycare at that age. Like I can't really
And
like
every kid is
specify.
different too,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
이게
So,
꼭 그랬다고
maybe she's
그건
like-
없는데
Like there's an
Oh,
attachment
맞아.
thing for sure.
Like correlation is not like
Yeah.
the causation,
yeah, no,
but I
but-
think she's kind of speculating. Maybe there's some influences
Yeah.
could
around
be. I'm
that.
not an expert,
Yeah.
so I'm not sure, but
And as a mom, she would know like
Yeah, like
what the experience was like.
because it can be quite traumatic too, when
Oh yeah.
when you wake up and
you're
your
like
parents
12
are not-
months old.
your
you're a
mom's not
baby.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
and like Grace said, like I think it varies by the kid too. Like some kids are a little bit more like
Right.
sensitive, while
Yeah.
some kids can have a bit more resiliency at
They're
a
just
younger
ready to
age.
go
Yeah,
out.
yeah, and
Right.
who else would know except the
Yeah,
parent, right?
Exactly.
So
God, I feel like after marriage, and like after having kids, all the
Yeah.
other issues that were like you have with between men and women, that kind of becomes like not very important anymore, right? It's about
Yeah,
it's
but I
about
think
like being able to raise children
together.
together.
Yeah, and having the
common
same
goal.
values.
And make sure
Yeah.
you stay away from trouble as much as you can while doing that, right?
What kind of trouble?
Well, the trouble between you and I, it's like, right?
I think a lot of it for me was like just like dividing the housework and just making a plan. Okay, like
the division of
yeah, because
labor.
I don't want to keep score, but 그렇게 되잖아, right? Like of course, if I'm doing like 90%, I'm gonna get burnt out and I'm gonna
Yeah.
get frustrated. So I think the best solution was just. Okay, these days you're gonna cook dinner. You're going to put the kids to bed, and
Yeah.
like you're in charge of taking the garbage out while I'm doing laundry. Like making those things clear was very very helpful for us. Yeah.
지금 내 이혼을 되게 많이 한단 말이야.
Okay.
이혼들 divorce rate is
Divorce
really
rate.
high.
갑자기 갑자기
I
이렇게
know
세고
that kind of leads
갑자기
to,
이렇게.
but that kind of leads to why
why?
married
Yeah.
couple would
어,
have conflict.
오케이. 그럼 그렇게 인트로듀스 해야지. 그 갑자기 이혼을 많이 하잖아.
I think it's about I don't know exactly what
But I
percentage
did
it is.
hear-
Oh,
Yeah,
one
like
and two.
50%.
Yeah, 50%.
Modern day
Like, essentially.
divorces kind of
Uh-uh.
has a lot of stems from like the day to day kind of stuff,
맞아.
right?
왜냐면 옛날에는 여자들이 집에서 stay at home mom 하고 일을 안 하고 확실히 그게 스트레스가 덜 있으니까 디vorce 할 그런 것도 많이 없었겠지?
Because they don't have like financial freedom to like.
Oh yeah, I guess there's that
branch
aspect
out
too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for
How
sure.
are they gonna sustain their
Right.
like,
그래서
livelihood?
황혼은 이혼을 많이 하잖아.
그게 뭐야?
나이
아,
들어서 막 60.
Like when, like when you
예,
retire, like
지금
you-
시대
yeah.
60 맞아.
그런 근데 이제 전체 overall like it says the divorce rate has been declining ever since 2000, but
Well, it's been declining.
but that might be the error in consensus because it's just less people getting married nowadays. That there's less people to get divorced. But I don't know if that factor has been adjusted.
Right.
But yeah. So, what do you think?
That's causing the divorce?
Yeah.
I think it's usually the women who are initiating the divorce, right? Like except for the rare cases that I know of personally, it's always
Yeah.
like the women who are initiating it.
Hey,
And the-
tell me about the
Yeah.
case where like Would you guys find something funny about men just bringing up divorce all of a sudden?
Oh yeah.
With
You
was
know
it?
what?
Oh yeah, I remember we had this talk.
Was that a meme?
It was kind of
I
funny.
think it was a meme.
Men, how
It was
like,
such a long. I think it was like a meme or a comment, and I was relating that
Yeah,
comment to you.
it's so
or
true though.
something.
what was it?
Okay, my memory is kind of failing me, but it is related to this topic. I think it's like for women, like they bottle up a lot of their emotions, and
Uh-huh.
maybe that there's a lot of strife in the household due to like the division of labor not being equal, or like when the couple has kids, like even though like maybe on the man's side he thinks that he is contributing equally,
Mhm.
like there's still a lot of like unspoken labor and like mental
load.
mental load that the
Mhm.
women are doing that maybe the man's not aware of. So it's like very like intricacies in the relationship, but it seems a lot of times the women are communicating to their partners that you need to like help me out a bit more, or this is an area that's lacking that I need more support in, and maybe it's like misaligned. So over time, like the women feels like things have accumulated and that's my final straw, so that now they're ready to serve the divorce papers, whereas on the man's side it's not really hitting to them that the gravity of the situation, like, oh, I didn't realize all these little things that my wife was talking to me about was enough to like instigate this divorce. But sometimes it is like the final straw, like on the woman's side,
Ah.
and it's like all valid on like the woman's perspective, but maybe the men like don't always
So the man's
recognize
like,
it.
I had no idea it was coming.
난 그
어.
얘기를 한 게 아니었어.
아,
그래?
뭐야?
Yeah, it was more like I was talking about how 갑자기 남자가
음.
without really giving you any signs 갑자기 남자들 기혼하자고. 하는
남자들이?
그런- 어. You've never heard about
그런
those
얘기는 안
cases?
했는데.
그런 케이스는 많.
그래? Okay, well,
약간
maybe.
백인들이 많이 하나?
우리 그런
Do you think? Because I
뭐
think
바람을
what I'm talking.
펴서?
No,
아니면-
but I think what I'm talking about. I think it fits more of the Western society than Korean society.
Okay.
Okay,
okay.
men just like don't really talk so much about to the point where it builds up enough until
So I
shit
guess
hits
it's
the
the
fan.
opposite, but it's like from
Yeah.
the
I think
man.
that's more
Wait,
more
is that more
frequent cases
common?
here in the Western
Really?
society.
Yeah, I've never even
Have you never heard
that.
anything like that,
Yeah,
Ella?
No.
Like in either culture?
No.
Okay, well,
That's weird.
never mind. Okay, well. But I think 나는 애들 양육 방식, I think it does affect. Because here 내가 지금 베이스 리서치 해온 이유는 돈 문제, communication 문제, household chores 문제, parenting 문제거든. And there's obviously intimacy, right?
Mm.
And there's like in-laws, obviously. I think those are 6, 7 major things.
Okay, hard
What do you think you struggle with the most?
Wow,
Based
like
on your
just,
experience. 여자 입장에서 봤을 때 예를 들면.
mean, if I were to
personal
pick-
experience.
like with my marriage.
Not just yours, but like 우리 주변에.
I think the division of labor is a big one, and also like my friends who have kids, like just dividing up the time between the parents and the responsibility seems really hard. Yeah, I can't relate, but from what I can see, it looks really challenging, and especially the first formative years, like
Yeah.
there's a lot of adjustment for the couple as well.
Right.
처음에 맞아. 그래서 처음에
Yeah.
이혼을 오히려 많이 해.
아.
The first year or two, right?
어,
Seems
맞아,
really
맞아.
Because you don't feel
Yeah.
like I can put up with this for the rest of my life.
Right, right.
You get that fear.
I think that's, and I wouldn't say it's like the majority, but just certain examples that I've heard like through the grapevine is some, especially like for people in
Koreans.
Korea,
Mhm.
a lot of the, like with the in-laws or like just dynamics with the extended family. Seems
But
to
do
be a
you
big
think
one.
like in-laws would be a big enough reason for you to get divorced?
I
과도한
personally-
간섭. Okay?
간섭?
과도한 간섭. Too much
Interference?
interference in relationship and priorities.
I feel like maybe
And
for
the holidays.
you saying
Holidays in
feeling you
Korea.
can't imagine it, like because your in-laws are so lovely.
Yeah, my in-laws are so wonderful.
Yeah.
근데
So I
한국은
can't
명절.
imagine.
Yeah,
Right.
there's a lot of
I don't think it's applicable for the kids nowadays.
Here.
No, like
Oh, even
명절 때
now?
한국, so like 설날,
Oh,
추석,
yeah.
like the Thanksgiving
You have
days,
to go and
whatever, that you
cook
have to go
for,
to
like, days.
cook and the
Yeah.
whole
sometimes
day.
it's a 제사 and
When you
stuff,
can
right?
see these guys just playing cards and just drinking till
Again,
they're
like
out
the
of their,
division
out
of
of their brain.
gender equality.
And then the 우선순위. So like some
Priorities.
효자들 always put their parents in their top of their list, right?
Right.
근데 그거는 어쩔 수가 없어. 왜냐면
Uh,
황철순이라고 알아? 황철순.
no.
It's like the 징맨이거든. 그 세계 최고 약간 바디빌더 출신 한국 사람.
Okay.
So 그 사람이 지금 며칠 전에 그 얘기한 걸 내가 봤거든. 근데 이게 완전 맞는 말인 게 부모님 항상 아들 편이야. 예를 들어. 어?
그치.
근데 그 이제 또 브레드위너를 떠나서 어쨌든 가장이잖아 남자가 웬만해서는. 그러면 그 가정을 테이크 해야 되는데 그래서 부모님이 세컨드가 되는데 못 챙겨주는데도 항상 이 사람들은 그래도 내 편인 거지. You know what I mean?
그치.
내가 지금 황철순이 성유명하보다 훨씬 못하는데 그 뭐 안 싸워서 이혼을 하더라도 자기를 못
아들
챙겨줄
편이지.
수도 아들이 프라이오리티라고 항상.
okay.
그래서 리턴할 수 없는 그런 느낌이 있어. And they get sick, you know, obviously.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
woman's side, their parents get sick too, but
Yeah, yeah.
뭔가 남자 입장에서는 그런.
근데 you always hear that like 남자 아들들이 효자라서 problem이 생기지 여자들이 효자라서
있어,
problem이
그런
생기는
경우도.
거는 많이 없는 것
있어
같아.
있어.
Like
부모님한테 돈 주고
disproportionately,
막
it's not a lot, right?
있어 똑같아.
Really? 그래?
부모님한테 돈 주고 하는 그런
아.
거 똑같지 뭐. 남자 부모님한테 돈 주고 여자 부모님한테 돈 주고.
I think the more
누가
current
돈 주니.
generation can have that, but back in my parents' generation, like even
Yeah.
my mom said she's just like she's like I served my in-laws so much, but I never even spent that much quality time with my own parents like the same way. Like she's like I barely know anything about my own parents with the same level of intimacy that I did with my in-laws.
That's crazy.
I was like, yeah, that's insane. Because I was like, think about
I
our
also
relationship with
spend
our
more
parents.
time with your parents than my parents.
So that's probably because your mom's
My mom's
working.
still working, yeah. And
Actively.
your mom also lived with
Yeah,
Whereas
like
my
with
mom has
your
been retired for like
grandparents.
years
Her
now.
And I
grandparents,
remember
yeah.
she messaged me one day. I think we were talking about something else, and she's like, "Leia, like I know how you feel, and like I've been on the same
Oh,
boat.
really?
Like you're so nice. 너가 착해서." Her mom.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
She
hearing this
texted
for the
you?
first time.
Yeah.
Huh,
She's like,
interesting.
우리는 착해서 그래.
근데 진짜 나는 이건 억울해야 돼. 와.
그리고 내 생각에 또 커뮤니케이션이 제일 큰 것 같아 사실. Criticism, defensiveness,
Oh, in the couple
contempt.
relationship?
stonewalling,
Yeah.
담쌓기래.
근데
stonewalling.
그게 커뮤니케이션이 problem이 될 경우는 there must be a different problem
Right.
for the communication to be a problem, right?
Yep.
But at the end of the day, it is the communication problem itself. Like, you might have all these reasons that would that cause you
Yeah.
to speak the way you do or to treat one another the way you do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that can't be the excuses. I feel like maybe right, unless one of them has committed serious problem. Like 스트레스가 쌓이고 you get enough like worries or stress that whether as a mom or a dad
Yeah.
or a husband or a wife,
Yeah.
Yeah.
it builds up and you can't speak nicely. But that's always an excuse. I feel like, right? Obviously.
But I think it's also personality difference, right? At the end of the day,
yeah, for
everyone
sure.
says all the celebrities are like, "Oh, personality difference."
It's like the
different."
cop out
Yeah,
answer.
it's like okay, but what was
does
the actual
personality difference
problem?
mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
I'm-
when you
yeah.
guys do argue with each other, it's always. I strongly agree with this. Like, 5 aspects: criticism, defensiveness,
Yeah.
contempt, stonewalling. Isn't it?
Yeah.
So you never want to admit it's your fault, so you start like defending yourself,
Yeah.
come up with excuses. You know.
Why are you looking at
no,
me?
I wasn't looking at you. I was just no. It's nothing personal, okay?
Okay.
And criticism. It's like, oh, you always do this, you always do that. So Grace and I always figured out it's always we have to stop using these 2 words.
Always and never.
Oh.
You never. You always.
I always do that.
항상 아니 서로 하는데.
Where did you get this like points? Is it from the Gemini?
Yeah. What?
I actually really like it because I think this stems a lot from like therapy speaks.
Oh, really?
Because in therapy,
Yeah, yeah.
the couples counseling. Because I took
Okay,
a couple
just
courses.
so
like,
people
yeah,
know
they-
that
they talk
Hannah
about it.
is a counselor. Right?
No,
Social
like
worker.
not like a
Social worker.
specialized
Social worker.
counselor,
Yeah.
but just in
Oh.
school we learn stuff like this,
Right.
and they talk about that a lot, like the stonewalling and the
Mm.
criticism. And I think the reason, I think a long time ago, I didn't really realize why people need like counseling because when I was learning it in school, I'm like. They teach you things like, oh, you need to be an active listener, and I'm like, isn't that kind of obvious or common sense? But it's like not everybody does that.
Right.
I know,
Like the eye contact
Yeah.
and the affirming each
Yeah.
other and not being defensive. Like you think it's like a very straightforward thing, but because people don't communicate with each other all the time that way,
Yeah.
it's like you sometimes have to unlearn certain bad habits so you can relearn like better
Oh, yes.
ones.
Right.
They teach that a lot in counseling. And then later I realized, wow, like this is why people need this.
Right.
Like in their couples dynamics.
It kind of goes against our natural
It
Yeah.
desire
does.
to like defend ourselves
Yeah.
right
Yeah.
away, right?
You don't want to be the bad
Mhm.
person. Remember during what was it Jordan Peterson said it? Dr. Jordan Peterson
Uh-huh.
said
Doctor.
the biggest indicator during the counseling session
Oh yeah.
where he can predict the couple can separate at the end
Okay, I
of
think
the
I
term
heard
was
this. Yes, what was
whether or not during the sessions one of the
was like eye rolling or
yeah it
something,
was
Oh.
like whether they roll their eyes
Yeah.
At
when
each
the-
other.
at each other yeah
because it
So
showed
it's
like contempt for the other
contempt.
person.
비꼬거나 무시하는 태도
Oh.
right because that means like you're already fed up. It's like,
Wow,
oh,
you guys,
here
all of
comes
our
another-
algorithms are synced. We're all watching the same
Yeah.
things. Oh wow, okay, yeah, I remember that one.
근데 남성한테 더 많이 나타나는 the ones that can be more frequently be observed by through men is stonewalling이래. Where men decide not to talk, just not get engaged in a
Okay.
conversation and just
그러니까
Okay.
shut their minds off.
왜 그러는 거야?
Cause
한나가 말해봐.
I think because when it comes to like conversations or arguments, usually women are better with their words. So
아.
여자가 좀 더 세니까 남자들이 좀 이렇게 말로 디펜드가 안 되니까 차라리 just shut down and like not.
디펜드가 안 된다기보다는
근데 오빠는 말을 잘하는 편이잖아.
그치.
아니 근데 나도 그런 마음이 들 때가
남자들이,
있거든. I'd
어.
rather not talk 할 때가 있어 차라리.
그래?
그래?
근데 오빠는 조금 더 유별난 케이스인데 because you're pretty articulate.
남자치고.
근데 이제 대부분 남자들이 좀 이렇게 말에
이런 거야. 예를 들어,
여자에
have you guys seen this?
비해서.
Have you guys
맞아.
seen this like really famous 밈이 나왔어. 밈이 아니라 it's like a 유튜브였는데 it's like a minute long, where this guy's I think he's like a sort of like a trained person. Like he sits in his garage, right? This old Caucasian man, right? And he's 50s or whatever, right? Like he's sitting in his garage. I showed that video to Grace once too. And then he's looking at one of the tapes. Oh no, it was like a wire, like electric wire, the copper wire that he's been using for like decades, ever
Okay.
since his career started from his youth, right? So then he's like sitting there, just just going back in his memories, looking at his copper rolls.
Okay.
That how he just realized that how like it lasted for 20 years, and it's amazing.
Yeah.
Like
But it's just a wire though, right?
that's the thing. Okay, so it's just a wire, but then he goes like, he's thinking about it. Hey, so then he gets all sentimental about just, I probably I could totally see it's like flashing is all these old memories of his like career, like 20 years went by really fast.
Yeah.
So then he calls his wife, it's like, hey, what are you doing? Let's say his name was Jack Rody. Jack, what are you doing? His wife comes at the garage and goes, hey, Grace, so this copper wire, I've been using this for like 20 years, ever since I started.
Yeah.
It's 20 years, I'm almost like towards the end of it now. It's like almost done. Wow, it's just amazing. And then I think the wife goes like, okay, who cares? It's, are you done? Are you done? He says, let's go, whatever, right?
So she's
And then
not
he's
really validating the importance.
yeah, and
of
then the
it.
guy goes like, never mind, whatever, right? He shuts that right there. He just shuts him off. But then I could totally relate like what the guy was like, what he was going through in his head. 남자가 just because they're not articulate or whatever, like they're very sentimental up in our heads too.
Right.
But we don't obviously want to tear up or anything.
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, it still hits deep too for us. So we kind of want obviously some sort of a
Like some
Affirmation.
acknowledgement. Yeah.
validation,
Validation.
talk about it.
That
When
that the thing is
woman goes
meaningful
like,
to
who
them.
cares
Right.
about the wire copper? Just go.
Right.
Well,
Right.
come on, man. You think? Don't we know that it's just a copper wire too? Like, well,
Yeah,
of course we
yeah.
know that, but it means something way bigger than just a copper wire. You know what I mean?
So
It's-
if you were that man, what?
I totally agree with him. Like,
Okay.
I would get divorced. I would get
I mean,
divorced.
but I
sorry.
went 0 to
I would
100.
get,
0 to
I would get
100.
divorced, but like,
Yeah.
I think the wife got so much backlash where in the comments, the YouTube, where I think the husband was like defending her at the end of the day. And the second video was, she's actually really nice, blah, 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 all this
Yeah, of course, that was just
Yeah.
one snippet of their whole.
But
Yeah,
I'm just
yeah,
saying, 그게 왜 이야기가 나냐면, the way how the guys just shuts.
Yeah, stonewalling.
Themselves up,
The reason.
And it also makes sense because in that example, even if it wasn't a wire, even if it was any sort of object of significance, it's the fact that the wife was dismissive towards him and like what it meant to him. I think that's what causes like the stonewalling. Like it could just be any object, right? But it's just more like if the wife did acknowledge like, okay, this is important to you and meaningful to you, and then have like a good conversation about that. I think that builds relationships
Right.
in a more
근데
sustainable.
그게
Right.
결국 인티메시잖아.
Yeah,
right? Think
yeah,
about
for
it. Like,
sure.
그게 참
Like emotional
근데
intimacy.
그게 I think symbolism이었던 것 같아 남자한테는. Okay, the
Yeah,
wire
yeah,
is like
yeah.
kind of like running out of your lifespan or whatever. Okay, you
Yeah,
guys spend
yeah.
that much time together, and you know it just represents every part aspect of his life where you know
So what?
짧아진 만큼 자기
Yeah.
인생이 그만 갔다는 거지.
그쵸, 그쵸.
And then he wants to have like
So if you were
reconciliation
the
with someone.
husband, what would you want the
Yeah,
wife
how would you
to
want-
say?
yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
나
that's
같은
what would
경우는
you
진짜
do?
아
Yeah.
그랬구나 와 여보가 열심히 뭐 우리가 같이 뭐 예를 들어 뭐 같이 살았으면서 같이 사는 동안 이렇게 뭐 했다고 하면서 우리의 life에 대해서 reflection을 해서 얘기를 했을 수도 있고 or she could have been like okay well you worked really hard it must feel really special to you because what does it feel like you being you know using it for 20 years that means you're you know it's kind of automatically natural leads to another topic where it's like how have you been satisfied with your
Yeah.
career so far all that stuff right
Then I have a
There's so much
question.
thing than just say let's go upstairs just copper wire you know what I
Right,
mean?
right.
yeah.
Okay, then my question for you, Peter, and then you could just answer this as like a, just like as a man, like with your subjective experiences. I don't think it needs to be a generalized response. Do you think, like, it's very important for men to get that constant like validation and
For
affirmation
sure.
from their
남자는 man is all about just validation. I think men are very simple in their logic, and you guys always agree that how like man's brain work is
They
really
want
simple.
respect
But they
and-
want respect, nothing more really.
Yeah.
They want respect and they want validation,
Yeah.
just like the little kids. You know,
Right.
once you have that, that's like the fuel, where it fuels man to just go endlessly.
Of course.
You know, just put whatever.
Right.
I
do,
think
do their
it's-
best to put whatever on the table, right? And then you just as long as your kids, your wives, say okay, you're doing a good job, then I think that's all men need. They'll go out there and do everything for you. They'll like put their lives in danger
Right.
too for
But
you.
the thing is,
for that.
like, if I were to rebuttal just that one statement, like, I'm just thinking, like, not even my husband, like my dad, because my dad has expressed to me like that's what he needs from me and my
Yeah,
mom.
yeah.
But I also believe that respect is earned, not given, and then sometimes when you're acting in a way that doesn't
Right.
warrant respect, like, why do you still expect that when your behavior is not aligning?
Mm-hmm.
Like, you need to do things in a certain way to get the respect,
그렇지,
right?
당연하지.
But then it's like really hard for him to accept that, I guess, because he's like, why can't you guys just blindly
Respect me.
support and believe me and like give me these affirmations when
Right.
it's like you have a pattern of showing us that it's been very destructive this whole time. And because when we doubt or like when we question, like that's when my dad gets very upset.
Yeah.
But we're also saying like you didn't give us anything in your, you know,
In the past.
in the past to earn that respect.
I can't
and
speak
believe.
against
You know what
your
I
dad,
mean?
but
Yeah.
But
I know, I'm just using it as an
but
example.
What you said definitely makes sense, right?
Yeah,
The
yeah,
men
yeah.
It
should-
goes both ways.
Should obviously then try their best to
Yeah.
you know,
And then for him, he said it's
Earn-
so
earn
discouraging when you guys keep talking like this. You're not. He's like, yeah, I feel like I need the respect to like be more motivated to do X, Y, and Z. But then I'm like, you know what I
no, but
mean?
You gotta earn
Yeah.
respect first.
Yeah.
I feel
Yeah.
like as a
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a
It's hard.
it's a lonely journey, but you gotta work
Lonely
until
journey.
you
Right.
earn respect, and
Yeah.
then be consistent at it until you know, and then you have results showing, right? Obviously, as a
Yeah.
man, then yeah, you gotta. I feel like you gotta provide first as a man.
Yeah.
And you gotta be able to provide. Until well, obviously your dad's old and my dad's old. And
Yeah.
my dad's second too even.
Yeah.
But that's what makes man, right?
you
That's
think
what,
so?
yeah. Well, it makes man like you have to be. I feel like I'm being very honest, but I feel like you have to be a breadwinner. If you don't, then I think it's really easy to lose respect from your family members. No, not family members. Maybe I don't know about the kids, but definitely I feel like 이거는 좀 아닐 수
From the
있는데
wife?
와이프가 남자가 돈을 못 벌면은 무시할 수 있어. 난 내가 봤을 때는 you start looking at other men because you know you start comparing your husband who's not able to bring enough when compared to the other men that you see from your workplace. Let's say like you have a whatever occupation, you know, the jobs that you work closely to a person that's making a lot more money than your husband.
Yeah.
Right? 그럼 그런 사람들은 바람 많이 피고 한다면 I'm not gonna say like whatever, but I think doctor case usually happens a lot. I feel like 막 그런 경우도 있거든. 그러니까 그런 거 보면은 I feel like the traditional values are really important. Where that line is getting very blurry now, where like man's doing all things and woman's doing all things. But in traditionally, in our blood, it says men's gotta provide. Like even Charlie Kirk said it on video.
Mm.
That's more like a Christian
What do you,
traditional
what do you
Western
think,
values, right?
Hannah?
Where
Do you
man
think
has gotta
men should be the
provide.
breadwinner?
아니 그러니까 그렇게 안 되면은
Mm.
it could bring conflict because the database, this research showing
Oh.
higher divorce rates because of the financial problems, right?
Like because women make more? If that's what.
Oh yeah, I can honestly 그거는 내가 I don't have it, but if you were to ask me, I think that would be the case. Yeah.
I think in theory we would want to say like, oh, it doesn't matter if the man makes more, the woman makes more, as long as the household
does
is like
matter, I
fruitful and
feel.
harmonious. But there was a study, I can't cite where the source is from, but I just remember years ago that I think there was a higher divorce rate when the woman made more in the relationship because there was a lot of like
Okay, 이거 검색해볼까?
dynamics. Yeah.
I think
검색해볼까?
that's true because
Yeah.
like even for celebrities or like influencers,
Yeah.
I see a lot of couples where if the woman makes more,
Yeah.
they like, and after having kids, especially after having kids, and the woman is making more.
Somebody's resentful in some way.
Yeah,
right?
I feel like a lot of those couples end up in divorce. And I think one of the reasons why is because after you become a mom, like naturally a lot of the jobs will fall on you. Right? Like-
yeah.
Like breastfeeding, like just even giving birth. And the baby is more like inclined to go to the mom, especially in
Right.
those early years. So if you are the breadwinner and you are this like the main provider for your kid, then I think a lot of resentment could build up.
Yeah.
But that's not for all cases, of course.
Yeah, of
And there are couples where the men really have to step up in the household.
Can you make sure the videos are going?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, the research showing in the U.S., numerous studies have found a statistical link between wives' higher income and a higher probability of divorce. Higher divorce rate. Research, including studies from University of Chicago and U.S. Census Bureau, has suggested that the couples where the wife is a primary breadwinner can face a significantly higher risk of divorce. Key reasons: conflict of traditional norms. Number 2, woman's financial independence. Right? A woman who's financially self-sufficient is not economically dependent on her husband.
Yeah.
Gives her ability to leave an unhappy and unfulfilling marriage.
Yeah, they have a stronger voice.
옛날 와이프들은 집에서 하니까 이혼을 못 했잖아.
맞아.
애들.
I actually think the reason why the divorce rate is higher now for modern day marriages is because women like have the option to leave, whereas like a lot of the older generations, like
They
even though
didn't.
they probably had all of those things that they were not
Right.
happy with, they just couldn't leave.
Yeah.
Right. That's
Yeah.
so true too.
그러면 아직도 좀 난 불공평한 것 같아 남녀. 아직도. Do you guys think? Not just as a married couple or.
난 좀
in general.
남자들이 좀 불쌍한 것도 있어. 이 현대 시대에서 사는 게 조금 불쌍하더라고. 약간 너무 막 남자들 더 잘해야 돼. 막 남자들이 부족해 이렇게 하는 게 I don't think it's helping anyone.
Right.
Because I think men are feeling the discrepancies with the women like I wouldn't say women are outperforming men, but like more women are going into universities
근데
now
그건
and doing
확실해.
all that.
그거는
Yeah.
이번에 내가
That's a
검색해왔거든.
statistic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a lot higher percentage of women than
Yeah.
They're getting better marks.
They're getting better
are getting better marks
marks.
and
Yeah.
end up in a getting
Yeah.
higher education marks. Right.
And like and then it's also like not saying that people do this, but sometimes like it's like the fingers are pointed at men like you guys need to do better, you guys are lacking or whatever, but it's like you're not helping the men to become like more productive members of society. You're just keep criticizing them about structural
Right.
things that are a little bit outside their control.
Yeah.
남자들이
Especially when
It's not
men
healthy.
like really feed on like respect
Yeah,
and
yeah.
praise.
Like I don't think it's
Yeah.
healthy for them.
Yeah.
남자들이 자살률이 훨씬 높아.
Yeah, of
The,
course.
the suicide
Suicide.
rates, 4-to-1 ratio in the United States.
Also because when
3 to
girls
1
like
in
when
Canada.
women have problems,
Yeah.
we talk to each other, right? Like I'll call
Yes,
you.
that's
Men,
a
they
big
keep it to
Oh,
themselves
man,
because
I
they
do.
have
I
the
complain a
biggest
lot to my
ego,
friends.
and they like won't talk. You don't.
I
Like,
do to
Great,
my
that's a really
friends.
valid point.
Because I have sentimental friends that can relate.
오빠도
But-
진짜 특별한 케이스라니까.
유별난
I know,
케이스네.
because as soon as you start bitching, you'll be like, 남자 새끼가 닥치고 그냥 해. 뭘? 저 시부리 쌓고 막 울고 있고 막 질질 짜내고. There was one girl, like I don't know if that was the real case. This girl is a transgender, became a man. She starts crying because like, you know, when you're because when you're
When
a
you're a
woman,
girl.
you get a lot more attention from people. Like people
And
will just
sympathy.
walk up to you, sympathize you, empathize you, ask, like, care about your feelings, what's going through you, ask you a lot of questions, make sure you're getting
Yeah.
enough care and help you need it.
Yeah.
As soon as she became a man, nobody cares about your
Oh,
well-being. Nobody asks you
okay.
about how you're feeling. Nobody asks you about what you're going through, right?
Yeah.
그래서 좀 힘들다. 근데 그 댓글이 존나 웃겨. 아, 남자 새끼가 이런 걸로 질질 짜고 있어. You know what I mean?
No
It's like-
help either.
Yeah.
well, like obviously, right? So, you know, I feel like there's only one thing I want to bring up about the gender inequality issues. There's only one thing.
What?
When men are getting all these opportunities in the societies, in the glass ceilings or whatever. But there, you like one thing that everybody should know is that there are jobs that are only meant for men. You know what I mean? There are jobs
Oh
that
yeah,
could
yeah, like the really
fit-
hard
Bill
jobs.
rates.
suit better
Yeah.
for
Very
women.
dangerous jobs.
Look at, like, let's say oil field. Well, this one Instagram short stories that I've shared recently, like
Yeah.
last night. It's like 2 guys working in an oil rig in Alberta or something.
Yeah.
The amount of physical intensity labor
Yeah.
required to conduct that job is just enormous.
Right,
It's
right.
crazy. You would easily
The average
lose
woman can't really
fingers,
do
like,
it. Yeah.
in a day or two. You know what I mean? It's very
Yeah.
physical, and you don't even get paid a lot. But so
Mhm.
all these jobs are really required in the society.
Yeah.
Who's gonna lay the, like, this is-
Yeah.
Jordan Peterson always goes,
Mhm.
"Where is the woman working as a bricklayer?"
Right, right. No,
There's
but
a
it's actually
bricklayer,
very
not a
true
woman.
though.
It's
Yeah.
always a man working as a bricklayer. But you're talking about being a professor in the service industry. You know what I mean?
No, it's so true because like if I imagine like us like working in those harsh
Uh-huh.
conditions outside,
Yeah, Alberta
Like doing,
oil field,
right.
in Portland,
it's
Murray,
like
minus
who would
40.
want that, right? Like that's so hard.
And we never
And it's
really appreciate those people,
Mhm.
right?
And I never hear a woman
Yeah.
saying, okay, well, how come it's this man working in the oil field
Mm.
that are CEOs or C levels are women? Well, because there isn't any.
Right.
But 근데 난 그거야. It's fine. It's fine. It's 그냥 나는 이미 받아들였어. It's already acceptable. 근데 내가 느끼는 거는 좀 불쌍하다는 거 남자는 그런 걸로 컴플레인 안 해요.
They just kind of assume that. Oh,
Yeah,
it's a
well,
given.
obviously, where's
gonna
a man
make a
going like,
woman do
where's
it.
a woman asking for all this? It's just natural, right? But it always get challenged by
Right.
the other side. Where it's like, whoa, how come the women are not accepted in the jobs? Like, you know what I mean?
One thing that you always mention is like in Titanic, how come the men had to stay behind
야, 왜
sinking
타이타닉에서
ship?
남자만 죽냐고.
And then
나도
the
살고
woman-
싶은데. Well, how come it's men that have to
And the
give up
funniest
their
part was like
rights?
she would always be like, but Peter, you were like not on the Titanic, so why is this
Well, let's say
hypothetical
if I was
scenario?
in the Titanic,
Yeah.
it would make sense though.
Then you're
Like, if
gonna
I-
be that one guy who
No.
pretends that
No, no, no,
you're
no.
the janitor.
Okay, if I was ever
like,
in
grabs
Titanic,
the
no, but if
baby.
I was ever in Titanic, right? Let's say,
Yeah.
I'd most likely to be on the ship with you
Yeah.
and 2 of our kids.
Yeah.
Obviously,
Okay,
it would
I'm
be
gonna
me to sacrifice.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna put you guys in like the freezing Pacific Ocean minus like 20 or whatever. You know what I mean? I would
그것도
die
필요해요?
on the
Would you really?
Well, then you'd be like, oh, Grace, I really like need to stay warm. 할 것 같아? 그렇잖아. 근데 but let's say if I wasn't with my family, if I was a
Yeah.
bunch of women and men that I don't know,
Yeah.
obviously I want to live as
오빠의
much.
생명도 중요하고
그냥
뭐
하여간
옆에
like 나도
여자도 중요한데.
필요할 수 있잖아.
그치.
내가 살아야지.
A life is a life.
근데 그런
at the end of
사람들
the day.
중에서도 obviously okay, well, wear the vest, get on the rescue boat before me. 이런 사람도 많았을 거 아니야.
아니면은 soldier 같은 경우도
I was just gonna say, yeah.
war에 다 남자들이잖아.
그러니까 그것도.
And when you watch the
Yeah.
war movies where all these young boys are like
Yeah.
going out on the battlefield, they're all
얘기하지
dying.
않게
Like,
think about it, those guys are little kids.
yeah,
that are
they're
in
like
their
19,
20s,
20.
man.
Yeah, and I'm just like, okay, like, is that really fair that they're just automatically sent to like?
Because they're a man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's crazy, right?
It is. It's really sad.
I really don't think there's 서로 막 finger
어,
그 포인팅
포인팅.
해봤자 절대 도움되는 게 하나도 없어 결국은.
That's true.
그래서
Yeah.
Yeah. I think just with like the different expectations in society and just like the workload that gets put on both men and female, I think it's just hard.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
It's just hard for both.
I know.
Yeah.
근데 확실히 nurturing을 더 잘하고
Mm-hmm.
그 엄마들이나 와이프들은 애들.
그치?
근데 내가 봐도 비교할 수가 없어. It's no matter
It's
what I do,
biologically wired that
no
way.
matter what I do, it's just uncomparable. 근데
No, they love you.
they do, but not the same way as they you know, you definitely need
Mm-hmm.
you know, mom's care. 확실히 그래서. 근데 또 남자들은 이혼할 때 좀 그래서 더 우울하게 작용하는 게 있어요.
Mm-hmm.
where like
It
you
already
would
hits the
lose
man
most of the
harder.
cases, man would lose the custody of the children.
요즘에도
Do you
그래?
think the judge favors the
Well, no,
woman?
I guess it depends
Mhm.
what causes separation, but obviously,
Yeah.
but in normal cases, it's usually the
Mm.
woman that, because women are better nurturing. It's likely that the children would love.
And then the men pay the child support.
Yeah, and the men are likely. 근데 남자들도 obviously they would choose to go out and be the breadwinner, right? And that's why you
Ideally,
would probably
yeah.
try to, not try, but
Yeah.
end up spending less time, accumulated total hours with children than women, to the point of separation. Then obviously it makes sense for a woman to have the custody then, right?
I think it
But then you have to provide.
But
too.
it's also not fair because if the woman has the kids, then the men, they can go out and meet new people easily. Whereas the woman, they're gonna have the two kids. Who's, there's gonna be less people who are gonna date the woman,
Right.
right? Who has
그러게,
the
big
two
그런
kids,
생각도
right?
있네, 그치?
Yeah.
I think because you mentioned custody, like something that I find unfair for men that like you hear in the news sometimes that women can kind of manipulate in their favor for like custody issues or even like assault or like criminal cases is like it's always like the woman's word over the man, so they can make false claims like
Oh, yeah.
that my husband was
그거지.
abusive or
So
this
many
person
cases.
raped me.
많아.
So it's just like or the Me Too
최악이야.
movement. Like I think that's really really
맞아.
damaging.
우리는 이
Yeah.
세이프가드가 없어 거기에 대한.
맞아.
You know what I
그거는
mean?
you can't always blindly believe the woman's like.
But
word
why
for
do they
everything.
do that?
Because that's their
They know
weapon.
that it'll
That's
work
their
in their
weapon.
favor.
No, not the woman. But
Oh.
why does the
The judge like favor.
yeah
that.
the judge? Why do they believe the woman's words like so easily?
Well, because I think there's so many common cases of domestic violence and domestic issues, but then it's like you can't just put a blanket statement over every case and be like, oh yeah, this is another domestic case issue where the man's being
Right.
a perpetrator. Where it's like maybe it's not like that, right?
Right.
The woman can like make
so
up all these
usually
claims.
there is the domestic
Yeah.
case violence.
It's
very
common, but like, yeah, you can't just
But
like.
then now the women are using that against.
Yeah, because sometimes
them
it's
on their
not. It's not every
favor.
single
Right.
time, and they're
Oh,
like, "Oh
yeah,
yeah, we'll
yeah.
just my husband's
Oh, I
abusive
heard this
or whatever."
story.
It's so sad.
맞아.
Yeah.
야, 이거 한국에도 많아, 무고죄.
맞아. 나
네.
정보
성폭행
많이
당했다고
들었어.
뭐 한다고 해놓고.
맞아.
And then you end up serving jail time like a year
Yeah,
or two.
that's why they have
That's
CCTVs
That's
everywhere
amazing,
too.
man. You would lose
Yeah.
everything then.
Yeah.
Even
I
if you're
know
proven
some
not
couples
guilty.
they put the
Yeah.
CCTV in their house.
Really?
Yeah,
Damn.
the guy did because he doesn't want to be accused for anything.
And for women who are targeting men like that, it's easy money for them, right? Because it's like, oh,
Yeah.
like they're gonna
맞아.
believe me over
Sure.
the
맞아.
guy. So
그럼 이제
then,
돈 받잖아.
yeah. So I think those cases are so unfortunate because that is also a big gender issue
That
where
is-
like. Yeah, the men are being treated unfairly
Right.
based on their gender. Like
Right.
you just automatically assume the woman's in the right when it's not always the case,
Mhm.
right? So
남자도 뭐 잘못하는 사람들 많지만
Of
남자들은
course.
하여튼 그러니까 그렇게 따지면은 you guys have like easier options just to compliment men. Some really I feel like some really wise smart women they don't really 그렇게 막 ego를 타서 막 어떻게 막 안 해. It's just like okay whatever. This guy just works by just giving some compliments or
Praise.
just
여자가
not worshiping
남자한테?
them. Yeah, 그냥
어.
just like give some respect. It's really easy. It works really easy. Like it
Oh, that's
works like
true.
charm. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That works
Because
both
men don't
ways.
get complimented that often, right? So it's
No.
like when they do get
And they
complimented
validate
and they
it.
like
and it doesn't
really-
cost you any money.
근데 does that work for everyone or is that just like
Oh, most of men will
Really?
appreciate that.
No, actually, I
They just
noticed
like
that
the
too,
feelings
yeah.
of being
Yeah.
appreciated.
Yeah.
That's
like even
That's-
like your husband? Does he?
and have sex whenever they request maybe.
Well, I don't know about that.
No, because like men are more hornier than women most of the
no.
cases. No.
이거 커팅.
No, I'm saying like testosterone, makes men more.
Is this a G-rated
Oh,
podcast?
G-rated. Yeah.
That's so funny.
근데
I don't know about my husband, but when I look at my dad and my brother, like wow, it's like the really
my
best way
dad
to
and him
appease.
too. Yeah.
is the compliments
근데 은찬 별로 안
about it.
그러잖아.
은서는 별로 우리가 대화가 많이 없는 것 같은데 그런 약간.
그러니까 막 너가 만약에 은철을 compliment 하면은 does he really like?
Oh, actually,
like that?
he
No.
does.
Oh,
He
okay.
does. I don't think he's like as overly expressive because like with my dad and my brother, it's so obvious. Like 화났는데 그렇게 조금 우쭈쭈 하지면은 이게 바로 풀리는데 이제
아.
은서는 좀 좋아하는데 그 막
표현이 막 크진 않아. 그래서 고마워 약간. I can tell he likes it, but maybe 성격 차이? What about Peter?
오빠는 어때? 내가 막 컴플리멘트 하면 오늘도 내가 박보검 닮았다고 했잖아.
That was crazy how she said it. And I 너무 어이가 없어. I lost my
머리
words.
고데기를 해줬는데
No, that,
머리가
you know-
일자라서.
너무
No, but
네.
like, that's when I really realized she really loves me.
어.
Like, how can she say that?
그렇게 해석한다니까 남자들은.
How can she say that, right? Like, obviously, I don't look like Park Bo-gum.
와이프 눈에 사랑스러우니까
내가
그렇게 얘기할
Park
수도
Bo-gum,
있지.
I watch these like shows like that he does on his own.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
a host, right? 너무 it's so
얼마나
handsome. Like,
와이프가
it's amazing.
스윗하게 그렇게
I was like thinking,
얘기를
how can
했어.
someone look like?
He was
And
like
then here comes
laughing.
my like wife like, you look like someone, and it looks like
그래도
she's trying
오빠
really
머리
hard.
바뀌었어. 나
No,
지금
she's
바꾸면
trying to
안
look for someone really. 엄청 열심히 생각하고 and trying to come up with a person that
너무
she really
귀엽다 근데.
thinks that I look like.
너 그냥 한 말이 아니었어.
And it was amazing. 그래서 얘
오빠 너무
나를
기분
사랑하는구나.
좋았잖아.
아니야,
근데
기분
이거를 뭐
좋다기보다는
칭찬으로 말한 것도 아니고 그냥 누구 닮았는데?
어.
근데 이게 머리
나-
일자로 한
좀 걱정하지 마.
거라.
난 좋은데.
Don't worry about it. I never took it as like serious.
Are you sure?
근데
오빠
내가
여기
칭찬할
너무
때
입이 저가 실룩실룩거리는
No, I never took it that way where I actually do have some sort of resemblance with Park Bo-gum. Not at all. But it's just
No, but when I do like say a compliment, like, or do you really feed off of that?
but not about this one, but
Let's see. I don't
say
really
something
give
that I've
compliments.
done. Like
Yeah.
let's say if I worked really hard during the day, let's say during tax season, and I come home late and then she, massage my shoulders and stuff like that. It really helps, obviously.
Aw,
And then how she tries to.
sweet.
I think it was just when we're living in Wood and Water where you always try to stay up late until I come home to cooking or whatever. Yeah, all those
But you're
things
kind
really
of
help.
acts of service based then.
Oh,
a
he's
little
very
bit.
acts of service.
Yeah,
약간-
acts of talking is just bullshit. Everybody can talk bullshit.
See, that's why I'm saying compliments don't really affect
No,
you.
no, no, no. It has
아니
to mean
그게
something.
말이 좀 일리가 있는데 because the examples that he provided were very
맞아.
concrete,
That's why
practical
I wanted to know.
examples.
That's why I wanted to know.
그 나는 그
that
여자들이
it's
남자들이
Because he's like, yeah, guys just need praise, and
남자들이-
he's like listing all these service
마사지
now.
해줬고 레이가 마사지 해줬고
그러니까.
레이가 막
아니 근데 남자들이
느낌까지
이렇게
있어.
얘기하는 것도 사실 말만 그렇게 하면은 아니 그 당연히 내가 말했을 때 아까 남자 칭찬할 때 당연히 다른 삶의 모습에서는 the other part of the aspects of your life you always have to still reflect respect but those additional comments would always help
Oh yeah, yeah.
right
Yeah.
but
But it's
that's
more like
still
a
gotta be based on
supplementary
based on
thing.
the
Right,
acts of
it's more
service
of
or
a
whatever
supplementary thing.
오빠 콜가 약간 acts of service가
Oh yeah,
좀 더
because you can't
중요하네.
pretend the services. Everybody can pretend like some bullshit talk. Like,
아 근데 이게 왜 궁금했냐면은 진짜 사람마다 그 love language 언어가 다르거든.
what is it for you?
근데 난 진짜 words of affirmation. 그러니까 나는 은서가
Really?
진짜 he's very hands on. He does all these things for me. 근데 가끔 뭐 너 예쁘다 막 와이프 막 그런 걸 말을 잘 안 해줘. 근데 나는 오히려 그게 좀 더 필요해. 근데 은서가 막 이런 거 잘 해주는. 근데 이게 사람마다 달라. But
Okay,
it
so what if
yeah.
he can't do both? Let's say, what if he doesn't provide all the services as
그런
hard as
사람들
he does now,
많거든.
but
이게
he's
더 흔한 거야.
start complimenting you so much that you've been missing?
It could be a grass is greener perspective, or like because I don't know what it's like
Right.
on the other side, because
Right.
he's so hands on, but he's not like very like word based. That
너도-
I would think I want more word based, but
Right.
if it was like an absence of the other, maybe I'm gonna miss the
Right.
other.
너도 좀 하다 보면 뭐지? 말만 이러는 거 이럴 수도 있어.
맞아,
He makes
맞아.
sure that it's rolling.
Yeah, it is really.
Because I have a friend, like it's a married couple, and then the guy, he's very tetonam, but he's so sweet to his wife because he always like posts pictures of her on Instagram. He has like all these highlights of her. He's like my lovely wife. 항상 이게 좀 예쁘거든. 그리고 항상 우리 앞에서도 막 우리 와이프, 우리 뭐뭐가 like he's just like so sweet. He's like 우리 와이프가 제일 예쁘지 이러는데 나는 그게 너무 보기 좋은 거야. So then I asked Unso, like my husband, like, how come you don't do that for me, right? And he's just like, well, I'll say it to you in private, but he's like, I don't want to do it in public or like whatever. But like, I don't know. I think I would like that. But how would you? Do you think it's
I think 오빠 would like that too, because he
like
always
if you did it? I see.
근데 나도 약간 은서 같이 나는 I would say that in private.
Private?
I don't know.
okay,
좀
okay.
cringe하잖아. Why 굳이 내가 왜 사람들
아니야,
앞에서
근데
그렇게 해야 돼?
wives most of the cases I feel like they just kind of 좀 남편들 놀리는 것 같아 in front of public. To-
Yeah, I think that's because sometimes I
to
do that
make you
too.
not look
Yeah.
like you're a 팔불출, right? To make
그게
you
뭐야?
팔불출?
호구?
팔불출 막 여기저기서 막 affection을 보여주는 거 사람들 있잖아. It's not really appreciating Korean virtue 그건 아니야 그게. It's always kind of have to be humble or whatever.
Right, okay.
But to the point where it's like if 와이프가 날 무시하는 사람들 앞에서 너 나 무시해? 이러면 안
그게
되지.
훨씬 더 안 좋은 시나리오 아니야? Like,
그런 거.
because I feel like I used to do this with my husband where like I appreciate my husband so much, but then sometimes when I was out with my friends, like I don't know why it was just easier for me to complain about him or
그래,
vent
그렇게
about
돼.
him. And it's like that's so disrespectful.
그래서 여자들은 자기 아줌마들끼리 만나면 남편 욕하잖아.
맞아.
어?
그러니까 그걸 인식을 해야 돼. 내가 이러면 안 되는구나.
근데
내가
그게 약간
이러면
좀
이러는구나.
쉽잖아.
맞아.
왜냐면 여자들은 또 그런 공감하는 거.
그치.
그래 비판하는 게 훨씬
맞아.
쉽지 사람을. 그래서 이거를 막 계속 이렇게 마인드 컨트롤 해야 돼. 아 이래서
맞아.
안 되구나.
맞아.
여자들이
나도
highest
그래.
stress for a woman is highest stress that woman이 겪는 experience 하는 거 뭐냐 when they see their husbands or their boyfriends or whatever.
Lying on the couch.
Yeah.
Yes.
Not doing anything. It
Oh,
gives
really?
them so much stress.
Yeah.
Whereas men, I think it's when they're are on a shopping mall.
Really?
Out of shopping
Spending
mall,
all the
yeah,
money.
spending-
That's where
no,
Ritzy
not
has that
money,
designated
but it's-
couch
Oh,
for men.
No, it was the level of stress that men experience.
Yeah.
At the shopping mall is almost like trying to avoid bullets in the battle zone.
What?
Yeah, it's
Isn't that
almost-
bad?
What if the man likes shopping though? Like they like spending money.
근데 나도
and stuff.
좋아했었다가 nowadays I go to the shopping mall. It's very stressful.
Really?
It's
Why?
really-
That's kind of how I feel like Costco.
I don't know what it
Oh, I
is.
love
So
Costco.
overstimulated.
Actually, Costco I don't mind too much, but just some random mall, it stressed me so much.
Costco, you're buying like
Really?
groceries, you're
Yeah,
buying
exactly.
necessities.
The
Yeah.
Kirkland shirts.
Yeah.
I love that. Wait, I'm so sorry. Can we pause for a bit because I need a bathroom?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah,
We'll
okay.
have a bathroom break.
살까 오빠 이거?
아니야 누르지 마.
아, 알았어.
안 들어도 돼?
All right, so we just had a quick bathroom pee break. Okay. So I think we covered majority of the topics I've prepared. I think there's one thing that I haven't mentioned. It's about when people, when man and woman get old, they go through midlife crisis, right? I think for men it's midlife crisis. For women, it's called. Have you ever heard of empty nest syndromes?
Oh.
When the kids leave.
Yeah, when all the kids become financially independent and they move out of your house, and your biggest goal in your role as a woman was being a mother,
Yeah.
and now that you lose the extreme loss,
Yeah.
feeling of extreme loss and emptiness in your mind, right? And then
Right.
and here comes the identity issues, self-identity issues too.
Right.
I thought my biggest role was being a mother and sacrifice for my children, but now what is it that I really want in my life for the remaining days, right?
Right.
Yeah.
And then that kind of oftentimes associated with menopause.
Right.
So then you have this hormonal imbalance at the same time, right? And then if they want to do something, it's like, well, I've been off the employment for however many years. Can pick it
Really
up
go
from where
back
it's
into
left
the
off
job
years ago.
market.
Yeah.
Or if they were a stay-at-home mom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whereas for men, it's like career plateau, right? Okay, well now it's like isn't much for me to climb up, and I feel like I'm not being valued at my workplace as
Yeah.
much, and
It's
you know,
just the same every day.
for men, it's also it oftentimes linked with their physical abilities to perform too, right? And they get old,
Yeah.
and they oftentimes become less physical,
Yeah.
right? And
Less able to do their.
yeah, the tasks that they used to be able to, the
Right.
level that they were before, and then you get aged, suppress the feelings where
Yeah.
you never said before. You said, well, because you can't really, it's not valued for you to say, you express your honest feelings about
Yeah.
being vulnerable, right? But now you also get the hormonal imbalance in men's brain too, where you start crying more.
Menopause?
No, it's not menopause. It's just
Or like something like menopause. I mean.
Hormonal
yeah,
change,
yeah.
I
You
guess.
yeah. There's
estrogen.
definitely less testosterone being produced in men, but more so with women. So they get more like strong, right? Whereas man, it's like they get very emotional and
withering
sentiment.
away a
Yeah,
little
and
bit.
there's more of a estrogen taking over your testosterone level,
Right.
right?
Interesting.
So
I think
So
that's
it's-
why
it's
so
like that, it
important
crosses.
for the couples when they are young
Yeah.
to have that healthy relationship, so that when the time comes when menopause hits, when your children leave the house, then they'll still have each other, right? And that'll still be something that they can hold on to.
Yeah.
But if you didn't even have each other, like emotionally you were detached, you were just like co-living together, then obviously when your kids who were everything to you
Yeah.
leave, then you're gonna feel like identity. You're gonna have an identity crisis.
You're already detached from your partner.
Mhm.
You're just living like roommates.
Mhm.
There's nothing
Yeah.
else to really value.
Right.
otherwise.
And I think also you need to have your own hobbies and like meet your friends and have your
Yeah.
own social life, have your work life. You need to start working before your kids leave because you already then have your life. Like it's not such a huge problem,
Yeah.
right? But I do understand that like as moms you do give everything to your children and your children
Yeah.
just become a big part of you that I can see myself feeling really sad if like
When they
Rua and
go,
Louis
oh my
go
gosh.
their own way one day.
맞아. 그래서 결국은 그 와이프랑 허스밴드의 릴레이션십이 좋아야지 결국은 you know 그게 애들이 다 커도
Whether through the
서로
slow
왜냐면
periods.
Yeah.
왜냐면 만약에 안 아프다고 하면은 나중에 애들 졸업하고 나면 still have like however many years to live, right? And that is just between two of you.
Years,
Right.
40 years.
No, they say 100세 시대. I've never seen anybody living up to 100 years. Like, oh, is it 100세 시대, 100세?
Grandma, 94-year-old.
grandma.
She's like my inspiration now.
이길이요, 여사님?
Oh. She's
Sad.
60. Didn't I tell you that she's my new inspiration now?
아, 무슨 대학교 총장님이 계신데, 무슨 93세셔. 94세?
So young. She's like doing
근데 무슨 막, 무슨 뭐 AI 어쩌고저쩌고
아니야
얘기하시고.
진짜
막 머리가
할머니야.
흰머리도 없고,
한국에 사는
허리도
할머니.
꼿꼿하고, 막 말에, 막 목소리도 힘이 있고, 막 아직도 대학교 총장님이야.
다들
엄청 젊어.
야.
다들 젊게 사니까.
그니까 결국은 남자, 여자가 둘이 살 날도 뭐 중간에 누가 아프지만 아니면 뭐 몇십 년 될 수도 있으니까.
그래서 내가 오빠한테 물어봤잖아. 오빠 애들 다 크면은 like 나랑 우리 뭐 하고 싶냐?
나
What do we wanna
그
see?
크루즈 하고 싶어.
크루즈.
어.
근데 나 진짜 크루즈
크루즈 많이 하고 싶어.
진짜.
아.
그리고 되게 actually Grace is pretty active, but I think you're very adaptable though. So I think you can kind of
Yeah,
fit in
yeah.
any environment.
Yeah.
그래서 잘 맞을
뭐
것 같아.
테니스 치고 레이랑 테니스 치고 사람들 만나고
나는 별로 액티브 안 하는데 everything's there super convenient. So I was like, okay, this is for me. But then I think Grace is really good at that age.
근데 또 지금 생각해보면 우리가 나이 더 먹었을 때는 옵션이 더 많아질 것 같아. You know 그 누구지? 크리스 제너? 크리스 제너?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
할머니?
She
그
looks so
킴
good.
카다시안 어머님.
어.
Did you see her?
지금 얼굴이 그냥 40대 30대 누나야. 미쳤어.
She has a really good. But you know she spent like over 100K on her surgery.
그러니까 근데 이제 그게 나중에는 몇십 년 지나면 it's probably readily accessible for everybody, right?
No, but you think so?
Yeah, for sure.
아, 근데
Later,
그거 진짜
after years.
탑탑인데?
옛날에는 우리 뭐 컴퓨터 한 대가
What is it
뭐
called?
only few people had it.
We don't know what it is. It's like a Hollywood.
그게 무슨 약간 죽은 사람 뎃셀 갖다가 뭐 이렇게 syringe 뭐 이렇게 하는 인젝션 하는 거야 뭐.
근데 she just celebrated her 70th birthday.
Let's
Okay.
see.
무슨 누나같이 생겼다니까.
옛날에는 이렇게 생겼거든. 그래서
맞아.
Even Brad Pitt too.
This is 70.
브렛
No
봐봐
way.
어떤 사진 보여? 머리 묶은 머리 한 거 보였지. 묶은 머리 한 사진이 미쳤어 봐봐.
묶은 머리.
브래드
막 이런 거?
아니 그 크리스찬.
묶음머리 하는 거. 오, 대박.
봐봐 여기 볼 이렇게 땡땡해가지고.
Oh, like how is
근데 나중에 사이드 이펙트가 있겠지.
I don't know.
That makes no sense.
But anyways, this is a little bit off our topic, but
But anyways, I think what a lot of women miss and they don't really think about is that your kids are gonna grow up and live
Yeah.
their own life. Like you
Yeah.
need to have a good
foundation?
foundation for your own life too. And I think that's really hard when your kids are like 1 or 2. But I think once they become 4 or 5, like enjoy things in your life too. Enjoy
Yeah.
your time with your husband. Have some date nights. Because if you don't have that, by the time like they all grow up and leave, you're not gonna have any connection with your husband.
yeah. 그래서 옛날 한국 부모님들 보면은 엄마들이 나중에 이혼을 많이 하잖아.
맞아.
이렇게 서프레스 돼 있다가.
Right.
그러니까 그렇게 안 하려면 뭐 잘해야 된다고.
근데 옛날에는 또 한국 남자들 그런 롤이 너무
한국 남자 약간 밥상 없는 거 잘했거든.
어.
반찬이 뭐 이러면 밥상 없고.
이런
So
한국 아저씨들이
dramatic.
너무 많아.
야 그러니까 나 아까 그 얘기를 하려다 까먹었는데.
그런
For
사람들이
men,
남자들 다 너무
I think modern days men are 좀 불쌍한 이유는 이거야. 뭐냐? 행패는 우리 아빠 세대들이 했는데 왜 이거를 우리한테 지랄을 하냐는 거야.
Like why
I didn't do
are the
shit, okay?
consequences going down to
그런
you
거야.
guys? Like,
우리도
this
안 그래도 집값도 비싸고 우리도 힘들어 죽겠는데 우리가 뭐 했다고 남자한테 지랄지랄 하냐. Like Come on, man. 근데 군대가 없어진 것도 아니야, 심지어 한국 사람들은. 물론 나같이 검은 머리 외국인 군대 안 간 사람은 한국 사람 보기에 네가 뭔데 그런 얘기를 하겠지만 대신 얘기를 하자면 그렇잖아. 뭘 잘못을 했길래. 그렇다고 남자 입장으로서도 살기 좋아진 게 아니거든, 사실. 그렇잖아. 옛날에는 여자들이 말도 안 되게 스트레스 받고 막 두드려 패고 막 그랬는데 이제는 점점 이제는 이렇게 됐다가 남자는 아직도 많이 나아진 게 없는 뭔가 그 무고죄 같이 막 성폭행 안 했는데 성폭행했다 그런 문제도 이제 페이스해야 되고 뭐 이혼도 이제 막 뭐 그렇게 unfavorable하게 그 룰링스도 나오는 것도 많고 그리고 또 남자라고 회사 다니면서 그게 쉽냐고 사실 뭐 돈은 번다고 하지만 돈 버는 게 쉽냐 남의 돈 버는 게 얼마
like 너무 약간 이고가 커져서
Like
그런
all
것
the
때문에.
CEOs, like Amazon, Jeff Bezos.
Coldplay CEO, what was he
yeah.
doing?
Oh yeah.
I don't know. Then makes me wonder. 그럼 그거에 바람 피는데 그럼 여자들도 똑같이 돈 많은 사람들 좋아하잖아 결국.
Wait, but like, what do you mean?
그럼 바람을 누구랑 피냐는 거야 그러면 바람을 남자랑 피냐고요 남자들이 여자랑
Yeah,
피잖아.
but then, like-
How does Andrew Tate have so many girls?
I guess he's just targeting those kind of girls.
No, but like it's, even if you
But those
target,
girls are also targeting those guys, I guess.
why some men just get 0 and some men get like 100?
Right.
You know what I mean?
Because they have the money.
Oh, I actually love this topic.
Yeah. Why?
It's always like swayed, like the masses are swayed now to like the alpha male or like the 1 to 2 guys. And
Yeah,
all the
so
other
alpha
guys
male.
Get, like,
Yeah.
You know what makes me wonder at some point
We
is
talked
like
about this.
no,
right?
but like let's say if you're an Amazon CEO like Jeff Bezos or whoever, like even Elon Musk, you don't settle with the wife until forever. I wonder, is it the traits of alpha male that
Attract the girls.
that's probably given for sure. I know that for a
Yeah.
fact. But is it the traits that made the billionaire the same traits that they're not able to stick with their wives forever, or is it that is that what's considered as being alpha male, right? You know what I mean? Like someone you can't control as a husband.
Are you asking
wife,
if
you mean?
타고난 그런 퀄리티냐고?
그런 거지. So like let's say if you're easily being 그러니까 와이프랑 잘 지낼 수 있는 성격이면은 then that means you don't have the traits of becoming a multi-billion-dollar
Cheater.
what do you mean? No, the entrepreneur, let's say.
I think it's still the same. The correlation doesn't mean causation. Like, again, it's case by case, but I don't know. Like, I personally think like sometimes the environment makes the person.
Right.
Like, and you're only
그럴
as
수도 있고.
loyal as your options. So,
그럴
like,
수도
right
있고,
now,
그렇지.
if I'm an average
그렇지,
person and only
그렇지.
have my husband,
그렇지.
I'm gonna be faithful to my husband. But I don't know. Maybe if I was like a big time celebrity or my husband was a big time celebrity and he had options for like 20 different girls.
Right.
And they all like love you.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and even if I know that my husband's a very faithful person and like all of these good things, but like he doesn't have like all those 20 plus options right now.
Yeah.
So maybe sometimes the environment can change a person.
Mhm.
And I think that applies to anyone, like woman or man.
Yeah.
Like, so I
아니야,
don't
근데
know.
여자들은 이쁘고 하면은 젊고 이쁘면은 인기가 많고 여자들 돈 많은 거는 이제 막 제비들 빼고는 막
맞아.
그렇게 막 they're not men are not so much after a woman with money for the
I
money.
guess that's true.
I think
Yeah.
Yeah.
그런 것 같아. 그러니까 남자는 돈이고 여자는 youth 뭐 beauty로 트레이드 하는 것 같아.
That's
그지?
why Leonardo DiCaprio like dumps his
Yeah.
girlfriends after 20.
Yeah.
I guess.
근데 그것도 좀 슬픈 것 같아.
As a woman?
우리는
여자들이?
유스는 그냥 지나가는 건데 남자는 진짜
뭐 지나가?
They have the
크리스 제너
ability to
봐봐.
just keep-
크리스 제너 봐봐.
계속 벌고 싶으면 계속 벌 수 있는 거잖아.
And Kris Jenner가 average 사람은 아니잖아.
그치.
She's like a very
그리고 남자도 야 남자도 뭐 돈 벌고 싶고 다 버는 거 아니야.
그치.
뭐 어떻게 벌? 그러니까 그만큼 valuable 한 거야. 다 벌 수 있는 게 아니니까 벌 수 있는 사람들만 인기가 많은 거고.
Don't you think like when it comes to earning money though, like there is still an element of control in the individual. Like if you actually work
Yeah.
hard and like invest in
Invest.
like a good career or like a business, then like
맞아.
I'm not saying like every investor is gonna succeed, but like still like
근데 I guess 여자들도 그러면 they can get more pretty.
약간 자기 관리 같은 거 하면서. 어.
뭐 성향하고
나는 좀 밸런스가 중요한 것 같아. You don't want to miss anything, right? You don't want to get super loaded where you start missing all other things. Like, 근데 또 그렇게 보면 Jeff Bezos looks so damn happy with his current wife now, right? 얼마나 cause like 그 전에 와이프도 되게 she looks pretty nice too. You know what I mean? It's like I guess there's really no right or wrong answer. if you're a billionaire, if you have a fuck ton of money, where it's like you don't give a shit.
Oh, the Jeff
You know what I
Bezos
mean?
is like I can't even fathom like the reality of a person like that though. You know what I mean? Like, I have
Well,
no
like
idea
there's
what
a
the
podcast
mindset
with
is
Joe
there.
Rogan, right? Like I think it was Joe.
Oh, really?
No, with I
Did he
think it was
talk?
Lex Friedman. They asks
think?
about what's like life daily pattern, whatever.
Oh.
Like I forget the little details, but it's not so different. But I mean, he's retired, right? He's more of a like where to give money. Like Blue Origin is probably the main thing that he's like mainly focused on, and then he's just newly married with his
Yeah.
wife in was it Venice, and he's got a
Is she much
really
younger?
fancy, larger. She's not
Remember
that
we
young
watched that at
either.
your guys' house when we had
She's not that young
like,
either. She's like
show?
50 something, and
you were also
she I
specific.
think she was a media person too,
Oh.
right?
She's
so
like a news
yeah, it
person.
used to be.
Yeah, used to.
But I think it's her second marriage as well too.
I think so too, yeah,
so
yeah.
you think Jeff Bezos would just marry like someone who's like 20-year-old? Yeah, but no, it's not like that.
근데 그거
But I agree with Jeff Bezos. I wouldn't want to
맞아.
marry a 20-year-old who has like not
가치관이 안 맞다.
yeah, no values to share.
대화도 안
어,
맞고.
대화가 안 맞아.
나이 또래에서
나 너무 isolate 될 것 같아. So it's not just about beauty or whatever, right? I think
guess it's not.
because it's a wife too, right?
Right.
So
Right.
it's amazing how he got married again. Like I would not get married if I get divorced.
그러니까 맞아. 그것도.
Like I wouldn't
What?
personally.
You wouldn't get married again?
Because he
after-
has so
Ah.
much assets. Like, why would you get married?
Yeah,
Because legally,
just
like, there's a lot.
그냥
of
뭐 같이 살면 whatever. 뭐 prenup 했겠지.
뭐,
But I don't know.
Why don't you just
Prenup
live as like?
했겠지.
근데 요즘 prenup I heard they don't. It doesn't hold that much power now. Like, as
I don't know.
그러면은 what if there was like a really rich guy and let's say like you were married and you were dating and
Yeah.
then 딱 결혼하기 전에 he wants you to sign a prenup.
Mm-hmm.
How would you feel about that?
I think it depends on the the terms of the
그니까.
prenup though. Like, cause it should still indicate that I can get something. Like, it doesn't
Right.
mean I can get a lot, right?
Right.
근데 약간 거기에 negotiation 좀 되면은
Yeah.
그리고 약간 it kind of depends. Like, if, right now I'm 31, so
Uh-huh.
if I met this guy when I was like 20 something.
Right.
It's my first serious relationship going to marriage.
Yeah.
그럼 좀 상처 받을 것 같은데 뭐
Oh.
내가 진짜 막 나도
If you're like 30 something,
like,
okay, yeah, yeah,
이러면은
yeah.
막좀 이해하지
You would
않을까?
understand. Yeah, actually you're right.
How life works.
That's
and
true.
Stuff. Yeah. 뭐 나도 막 이혼했는데.
Right, because
막
it's
whatever.
like when you're signing a prenup, you're thinking of the end in mind, the possibility of, right? But then it's like contradictory because marriage is like
It's like a beginning towards.
yeah,
something. It's like, why would you think
it's
about
like
the
till
end?
death do us part, and then here's a prenup.
Right.
Right?
Well, I guess.
Yeah.
뭐 동거랑 똑같지 뭐 그렇게 따지면은.
동거?
동거하는 것도 맞는지 안 맞는지.
But that's not only for 맞는지 안 맞는지. It's just like
A
sometimes
little bit
it's-
non-committal in a way.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Anyways, I think we've done enough.
All right.
Uh,
Very fun.
yeah, it was very fun,
It's
right?
really
I don't think it was that long either. It was just about like an hour, less than an hour and a half.
Yeah.
It's actually really short.
Wait, can I ask one more question
Sure.
on the gender topic?
Yes. I have one more question too.
Okay, well, you guys ask.
Okay, I'm sorry, Peter.
No, I was just thinking about the time we can go eat some pho behind, like over there,
Oh, I'm not
and then we
ready.
yeah,
go pick
not
up
for
the
anything.
kids
Yeah.
before 8 o'clock.
시간이 좀
So it's 7 right now. That's why.
7?
But no, it's okay. Go ahead.
Do you think it's more comfortable in life to live as a very, very good-looking man? Like, like the people say pretty good.
How would I know? I'm not that good looking, man.
In general, I mean, and also good, very 그 진짜 예쁜 여자들 있잖아, like
Yeah.
연예인들, like
Yeah,
just
yeah,
beautiful
yeah.
women
Yeah.
versus beautiful men.
Uh-huh.
누가 더 세상을 쉽게 사는 것 같아?
Oh, beautiful.
나는
I
그렇게
think it's a beautiful
생각을
man or like a good-looking man.
as a okay,
Yeah,
good
I think
looking
they get
man
better
versus
paired
what?
too. Like a very I don't like the word good looking. Very attractive man versus a very attractive woman, like physically.
Oh, I know.
Like who gets better like treatment in life?
나는
It's
good
the
looking man for sure.
That's what I'm saying.
Guaranteed.
I'm telling you.
good
this.
looking woman 있잖아.
어.
팔자가 꼬이려면은 굉장히 힘들게 꼬일 수가 있어.
아 그래?
왜냐면 이쁜 여자들은 오히려 더 힘들게 사는 케이스가 많아요.
왜?
그게 그래
아 약간
팔자가.
이상한 남자한테 막 잡혀가가지고.
뭐 그럴 수도 있고 뭐 그냥 그래 여자가 너무 이쁘면은 사회가 가만히 안 놔둬.
사회가.
근데 남자는
남자는 더 이렇게 엘리베이트. They
맞아.
like.
오히려 여자들이 남자 얼굴 더 따진다니까. 하여튼간에 남자가 잘생기면은
맞아. 나도
조금만 더 깊이 생각하면 남자가 잘생기면은
They have everything.
야 되게 쉬워.
막 되게 쉬운
되게 쉬워.
것 같아. That's what I thought
막
too.
엄청 좋아해. 남녀노소가 다 좋아해.
약간 여자들은 엄청 이쁜 여자 있잖아. 그럼 다른
여자들이
여자들이 조금
싫어해.
그렇지,
견제하고
그런 것도
그러는데
있고.
잘생긴 남자는 또 남자들이
남자들이
좋아해.
좋아하죠.
막
남자
이러면서
잘생긴 남자로 사는 게 훨씬 쉽지.
That's interesting.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I talked about this with a
I
friend
don't know, but
recently.
난 잘생긴 남자를 살아본 적은 없는데
나도 막 그렇게 막 우리 존니의 막 존남들의 살면 모르겠지만 그냥 생각해보면 뭐
맞아.
저런 게
왜냐면
있구나.
어차피 잘생긴 여자도
잘생긴 여자? 아니면
그러니까
이쁜 여자?
이쁜 여자도
어.
똑같이 살아야 돼. 그러니까 결혼하고 애 낳을 거면은 똑같아. What's the
okay.
difference?
Like the responsibilities.
근데 뭐 잘생긴 남자는 약간 더 여유가 있는 것 같아.
너가 하면 정우성. He just
그러니까
looked
나도
like
생겨
a
정성. 야.
정우성 우리 같은 남자의 삶을 모른다고.
He was like really poor, right?
Yeah.
And then he just
He
got.
was.
He came from a really poor family.
Oh.
Apparently, he didn't even go to military
맞아.
or like university because like something about his home
Really?
life was really bad. But then because he was such an attractive guy, they like just scouted him.
나 그래서 안정환 엄청 좋아하잖아. 그만큼 잘생기고 그렇게 힘들게 살았는데
연예인이잖아.
그러니까 연예인인 거야.
일반인이었는데 그럼 연예인은
된 거지
인더스트리로
잘생겨서.
캐스팅된 거잖아. Like he was living his life as a normal person. He wasn't trying to like get famous.
진짜?
But because he was so attractive, like people.
근데
scouted
나는 남자가 난 근데 그건 또 달라. 잘 봐. 이게 되게 중요한 내용인데 어떻게 보면 진짜 잘생긴 남자와 이쁜 여자를 비교했잖아. 근데 그거는 내가 남자라고 얘기를 했지만 근데 또 잘 생각해 보면 진짜 못생긴 남자와 진짜 못생긴 여자의 삶을 비교하잖아. 여자가 훨씬 불행해.
Oh my god, my guy friends are the same.
야,
여자가?
훨씬 불행해.
그래?
Way less unfortunate for a woman that are not good looking than men that are not good looking.
But that's
근데
crazy.
고칠 수가 있잖아.
Well, yeah, obviously, but that like you still have the limit to the extent where like how much are you gonna fix your face?
No, this is so great. I had this
Turn
exact
upside
conversation
down?
with a guy friend, but my argument was like, 아니야 못생긴 남자가 더 불행하다고. He's like, no, he's like
No,
못생긴 여자가
not
제일
at all.
바람피라고. And I said, why?
Men that are
He
ugly
explained
have
it.
way better chance than women that are less
So this is like
less
very mind-boggling.
attractive, like in
But
physical
wouldn't you think the opposite
traits.
too?
그럼 너무 불쌍하다. 여자는 잘 이뻐도 잘생긴 남자보다
근데,
못하고.
well, but I gotta add this. Let's say some women are not very beautiful or pretty, but they can have pretty personalities.
Yeah, yeah.
그러면
that's what I mean.
얼굴도 이뻐 보여.
그러니까 that's what I mean.
진짜로. 매력 있는 여자들은 외모가 어느 정도 커버돼. It's not like gonna cover like to the point where it's like
남자도 그렇지 않아?
갑자기 무슨 카리나가 되는 건 아닌데 그래도 커버가 돼. 남자는 다 커버가 되고 거의. 돈, 성격, 외모. 그러니까 여자들은 남자 유머를 되게 좋아하잖아.
맞아.
근데 남자는 여자 유머를 그렇게 따지진
개그맨들이
않아.
다 예쁜 사람들이랑
그럼
결혼하잖아.
남자는 웃긴 사람을 좋아하잖아.
맞아.
근데 여자는
totally
아니, 남자는
get
웃긴 여자를 찾지 않아. 그냥 이뻐야 돼. Well, like, I don't need you to be a comedian. Well, I'll just watch Netflix stand-up comedy. Like, I don't need. I need to laugh at your face, not like you're.
그건
그리고 남자는 그 센스가 있고 그리고 남자는 you can be very good at one thing and earn all that respect, right? 못생겨도 내가
Right,
뭔가
right,
하나의 그냥 엑스퍼트잖아. 그럼 사람들이 알아서 리스펙트를 해줘요. But for a woman,
I actually now I see this side, but
Yeah.
before like I thought it was counterintuitive, but my friend also explained it very similarly to you.
Yeah.
And he's also a guy.
yeah,
So I was like, okay, now I can see.
for
that.
sure.
근데 남자들은 막 they have their own like groups like 뭐지? 그 오늘 우리 동영상 본 거 뭐지? What was that word? like incel?
Oh my god, yeah.
근데 그런 거 보면은 남자들이 더 불쌍하지 않아?
우리 인싸.
여자들 인셀이 없잖아.
그막그 남자 간간하는 거?
아니 그
talking about?
약간 so it stands
감옥에?
for involuntarily celibate, where like
감옥에서?
아니 여자 배우자가 필요하고 like they want to have like sexual partners.
Uh-huh.
근데 they feel like all the chads or alpha males are the ones getting it.
Yeah.
근데 자기네들 I'm a nice guy, but how come none of these women select me?
그래서 그런 사람들이 막 massive shooting하고 그러잖아.
그러니까.
그러니까
that's
나는
incel.
그런 사람들이 더 불쌍해.
불쌍한데 그거는 성격 문제라는 거야. 그거는 내 자신의 문제지. 와, obviously 이렇게 그럼 내가 예를 들어 나도 예를 들어 그냥 평범하게 생겼다고 쳐. But do you think I got all this like 뭐 사람들이 나 좋다고 했을 것 같아? No. Even if they did, it wasn't for my looks. Right? 근데 인셀이라는 그 컨셉이 못생겨서가 아니라는 거야.
And they're kind of entitled. They're like, I'm owed a female
아니,
partner.
no.
성격 문제.
No.
They're
아니,
misogyny.
rejection을 당했겠지. 근데
그러니까
그
나중에
rejection
편집해줘. This is a kind of
Let's say no, rejection을 당하잖아. But the problem with those guys, they think they're the only ones that get rejection.
Yeah.
Well, every man gets fucking rejection.
And
right?
also,
everybody
when-
gets rejected.
When they get rejected, they externalize the
야,
problem. They
그거를
think,
여자한테
it's not
문제를
about me.
씌우는 거야. That's a
근데
정신병.
걔네가 막 하이진이 안 좋을 수도 있고 아니면 자기 성격이
야,
문제가
야,
있는데
야.
여자들이 다 좀
그렇지, 그거는-
싸가지 없고 이렇게
그거는
맞아.
문제지.
It's like
왜냐면
toxic.
우리가 오늘 동영상을 봤는데 남자가 he was part of that group and then he was gonna do a mass or some shooting but he got caught.
He got plot. He had like a plot, right?
이 사람이
He
너무
plotted.
이상한 거야.
No, but I don't think he was. At the end of the day, I think the reason why he got the juries sentenced them for like 20
25
whatever years was because it was a very imminent attack that he was actually this. He just the only reason that didn't happen was probably he got
근데
caught.
he was not bad looking. He was actually
Yeah, he was
a
handsome.
good looking guy. So I was like surprised. Like,
But
okay, why
why?
was he?
But it
part
happens
of this
all the
group?
time because I think they're very social, right?
Right. There are a lot of them are socially awkward.
So you really don't have to be good looking. You just gotta.
Yeah,
you
I
just.
think so.
I think 나는 여자는 이런 느낌이야. 잘 들어봐. Even if 나는 이런 무슨 생각하냐면 남자들이 그냥 너를 사랑하고 다정하고 내가 부자가 아니어도 I told you the 3 traits that women look for men, look for in man.
Yeah.
Right? It's not in confidence, but it's not even. But it's humor. It's humor, right? First is humor.
Yeah,
I think the second was like being being
That's
very
pretty funny.
being very nice,
Yeah.
right?
Being
but
very nice.
yeah, being very nice.
Being like a
person.
kind person.
Yeah, so like you can kind of see that by just like judging the way that this guy talks to other people, right?
people,
Whether
yeah.
to his parents or whatever. I think the third one was this. It wasn't even about how much money he makes. It's the indication whether or not he's gonna be able to make money or not. And then
The
the
potential.
yeah,
The
그러니까 그건지 그렇기 때문에 그거는 그냥 이게 부자가 아니어도 돼. So you can just be like you can have the plans, like you can explain how or what's going through your mind, like what your plan is to
Right.
you know
How are you
and
gonna
carry out your plans in your head to be a millionaire or whatever. You don't even have to be a millionaire, but let's say
You
yeah.
can see in the person,
Yeah.
like if they're
그 세 개가 제일
hardworking,
중요하대.
you see their attitude, right?
그래서 그러면 돼. So let's say even if you're not rich or whatever,
Yeah.
well then you love her.
Because wouldn't you
So-
rather marry a man who's like, he doesn't need to have a lot of money, but he's future oriented, diligent, hardworking,
그렇지.
versus a guy who has so much money.
그런
but
걸
he's,
보는
like,
건데.
lazy
Or if
and,
he was just
like-
from a rich family.
Yeah.
그런
just
걸
had
보는
everything
건데,
handed to
right?
them.
근데 그것도 보면은 사람들이 나중에 all that is ego, right? You victimize yourself. You start victimizing. 나는 여자들이 남자를 그렇게 외모를 안 보는 거를, 그러니까 안 보는데 when they do, they do. When they don't, they don't. It's like how you
I actually agree with
present
that.
yourselves out there. 정우성이야 당연히 말도 안 되니까 박구보험이야 말도 안 되니까 이렇게 월십 해주는데 wow, those are like 1 in billion people, right? Not even. 그러면 rest of them 다 오징어야
그것도
어차피.
근데 한국 사람들이 볼 때 잘생겼다 이러는데 외국 사람들이 그
네,
사람들을
외국 사람들이
보면은
봐도 잘생겼다고 해.
잘생겼다고 생각해.
당연하지.
다
똑같아.
그래.
But 그래서 like 유재석도 not conventionally like
Good
super
looking.
handsome, but like his personality and like his
그럼.
well-roundedness is
그럼.
what covers a lot of his. That's why he's famous. And
그러니까
he's got a clean
내가 잘생기지
image.
않았으면 다른 쪽에서
very
리스펙트를
reputable.
얻어야지, right? 그러면 여자들은 되는데 그건 100% 그런 남자들이 이게 속이 꼬이게 되는 거지. 그거는
자꾸
누가 보여?
reject 되면은
막 자꾸 그런
Oh, I
사람들,
see. The incels are
야야야.
whatever it is called, yeah. So,
근데
그거는-
여자들은 그런 그룹이 없잖아.
what do you mean group?
like 인셀 여자 그룹은 없지 않아?
야, 잘 봐. 그거 왠지 알아? 그거는 당연한 거야. 그거는 네이처가 원래 그래. 네이처들 똑같아. 동물들도 남자가 여자한테 구애를 하지. 암컷이 수컷한테 그렇게 하는 거는 많이 없어.
아,
always
그런 거.
남자가 뭐 이렇게 뭐 공작 세면 뭐 이걸 보여주고 막
맞아,
뭐를
공작
하고 막,
맞아, 맞아.
막 연병을 해도 남자들은 그게 동물이든 인간이든 똑같아. It's a competition, right? 어쩔 수가 없어요.
그럼 여자는 처음부터 그러면
여자들은 처음부터 그렇게 열심히 안 해도
Because we're
돼.
kind of the ones waiting, or like we can pick. Whereas
그래-
like it's like social selection for the men. Like oh,
Yeah.
we need to perform and do all these
Right.
things.
그래서 여자들이 만약에 인기 진짜 안 이쁜 여자들은 미안하지만 그게 훨씬 힘든 삶인 거야.
왜냐면 먼저
왜?
못하니까
어?
먼저 like 다가지 못하니까
그러니까
그러니까 왜 여자들이 힘든 거야?
보통 average 여자들은 남자들이 이렇게 대시를 할 수 있잖아. 남자들은 근데 원래가 리젝션을 받는 게 몇몇 탑 레벨만 아니면 원래 리젝션을 받는다고. 그럼 그거는 내가 earn을 해야 되는 거야. 근데 여자들은 그게 아니라고. 근데 내가 그거를 아무 거 없고 내가 만약에 earn을 해야 된다고 생각을 하면은 여자들 입장에서는 자존심이 무너진다고. You know what I'm saying? 그래서 쟤는 안 그래도 되는 나는 그렇게 해야 되거든. Because I'm less attractive in 얼굴이 더 이뻐, 더 less prettier. Yeah, no, it's simple as that, right? 근데 그렇게 따지면 남자들도 잔인한 게 some people are just not good at making money. well, then you definitely get less chance to whatever.
But you just said it's not about money.
I think
not
the biggest
all about money,
factor
but it
with
is
the
very
whole
heavily
incel
weighted
thing,
about making
though,
money.
It's like it's not even about the money for women. Like we also like
Yeah.
that guy you saw in the interview.
Yeah.
He said he was like conventionally attractive.
oh.
I think the issue with them is like when they get rejected or they feel their anger, instead of examining within like, hey, maybe there's like a part of my personality I need to work on, or like maybe I'm showing like
그래,
traditions
그래야
of my life.
되는데.
But they're like, oh, like fuck all these women, like I
Yeah.
need to kill them. I
Fucking
need to
woman.
mass shooting. Like they're
Are
not providing
more.
for me, or they're not satisfying me. So it's like the externalization
그렇지.
of the issue
That's exactly what I'm
as
saying.
opposed to like,
맞아.
why don't you work on
Yeah.
yourself and
Yeah.
like recognize where you have shortcomings.
당연하지. 아니, 노력을 해야 될 거 아니야.
근데 여자들은 그거 나름 더 잘해.
야, 옷이라도 갈아입고,
그러니까.
씻고, 머리 스타일
그러니까.
깔끔하게 하고,
좀더 꾸미고.
개소리 안 하고, 책을
내
읽고,
말이야.
밖에 나가서 리프트 웨이트
좀더
하고, 좀
사교성
뛰고,
맞아.
사회성이 없을 수는
하고,
있어. Well, then just stop.
좀 뭔가
아니면
뭔가를 해야지.
하던가. If it's
뭐,
like
yeah, whatever. But you just gotta stay humble, I think.
Yeah,
Right? 근데 그걸 내가 못 받아야 되는 거야. You start
거기서
finding problems
분해가지고.
externally.
Yeah.
야.
They're like, 그러면 이거 사회가 잘못된 거야.
그렇지.
나는 I need a wife, I need a girlfriend, I need someone to have sex with, and
야.
nobody's gonna do it.
야.
그럼 다 죽여야 돼.
맞아. 그게
다
미친 거지.
그러니까 그게 난 데미지. 근데 여자들은 그렇게 생각 안 해. Because you don't
생각하지.
hear mass shooters like being women.
맞아.
Like,
맞아. Usually
because women encounter rejection too. It's not like they
아,
never
당연하지.
do. But I think not always, but sometimes they're a little bit more inclined to do the self-reflection and
Yeah.
like what do I need to work on to make
그럼
myself look
만약에
more attractive.
여자가 별로 안 이쁘고 근데 대시도 안 와. 근데 이제 나이는 먹고 있어.
쉽지 않지.
어.
그럼 눈을 낮춰야지 좀.
아.
정확해.
근데
무슨
눈을 안
세트?
낮추지.
눈을 안 낮춰? 그럼 결혼 못 하는 거야.
약간 주제 파악이 돼야 되는데.
뭐 그렇게까지 얘기하기는 힘들지만 뭐 좀 눈을 낮춰야지.
낮추기도 힘들지.
그치, 그거는 이제 내가 어떻게 할 수는 없어.
그럼 차라리 내가 그러면 안 만나고 혼자 있고.
그렇게 하는 거는 이제 그 사람들의 선택권이야. 그걸 뭐라고 할 수는 없어.
필터 좀 해줘. I feel like I'm coming out
아니야, 뭐 어때?
pretty bad.
똑같아. 남자도 뭐 이쁜 여자만 쳐다보잖아, 나이 먹고. 그럼 내가 만약에 나이 많이 먹었어? 난 그럼 얼굴 조금 포기할 것 같아. 왜냐면
Like you understand.
여자들도 분명히 성격이 좋으면 얼굴이 더 괜찮아 보이는 사람이 있다니까. 똑같아.
남자는 나이가 먹을수록 괜찮은 남자는 다
똑같아. 문제가
그렇지.
먹어서 괜찮은
그래,
여자들
그래.
결혼했고. 근데 나는 여자를 꼬시는 게 더 쉬운 것 같아.
잘했다. 우린 잘했다니까.
나는 여자를 꼬시는 게 더 쉬운 것 같아.
여자
남자가.
꼬시는 게 쉬운 것 같다고?
어.
뭐보다?
근데 이게 여자가 남자를 꼬시는 것보다.
아, 그치.
왜냐면 남자는 머리가 복잡해. 내가 돈도 있어야 되고 뭐 안정적이어서 결혼하고 싶어하는 남자들이 많거든. 근데 여자들은 내가 막상 이 사람을 이 남자가 나를 진짜 좋아하는 것 같고 이 사람이 나한테 다정하고 이 사람이 그래도 아무 생각 없이 사는 게 있고 경제관념이 있다 하면은 그럼 보통 이해서 하더라고. 보통은. 근데 이게 나를 좋아해 준다는 거에 고마워하는 것 같아 여자들은. 진짜 이상한 사람이 아니면.
Yeah. Like
But it was more the other way around. wasn't it?
그래서 그냥 용기만 있으면 돼.
no,
girls
Right,
really
right.
like, oh, this guy likes me.
Yeah,
그래서
yeah.
그냥 용기만 있으면 돼 남자는. 내 생각엔.
그치.
그리고 좀 사이즈도 봐서 한 번 리젝트 당했으면 두 번도 해볼 수도 있고. 근데 이제 너무 이게 아니면 그것도 케이스 바이 케이스겠지만.
그치.
그러니까 좀 남자는 좀 더 진실성이 통하는 것 같고 여자는 진실이든 아니든 그냥 싫으면 싫은 거야 남자가. 야, 어떻게 보면 여자는 좀 더 짠해 그래서 그런 거 보면 확실히.
그러니까 여자가 이퀄한 게 없어.
결론이
결론은
아니지. 야 남자는 그러면 우리도 노력해야 되잖아. 우리는 가만히 있다 오는 게
노력하면
아니잖아.
되잖아.
근데 나는 그거는
안 되는 경우도
그거는
있다니까,
있는 것 같아.
씨.
남자들은 they're always at the risk of rejection, and that's not
그래.
an easy feeling, right?
야 여자한테만 리젝션 당하냐? 뭐 우리는
라이프가
라이프가 그냥 계속 우리가 뭔가 싸워야 돼 항상. 쉽게 오는 게 하나도 없어
I
남자는.
think those like tribal communities, like the father who has a beautiful daughter, it's like, what can you do for my daughter? And then the guy
그래.
is like doing all of these things to
Yeah,
win
yeah.
the daughter, and like, you know what I mean? Like, and then the daughter just sits pretty and
Yeah,
just like, okay,
그래.
like, she's the prize.
그러니까 서로 쉬운 건
Woman is
없어.
the prize.
남자는 여자는 쉬운 게 없다고.
그래서.
똑같아. 그러니까 서로 사랑해주고 그 성경에 이제 아름답게 성경으로 말을 끝나겠습니다.
아 이렇게 마무리를 한다.
성경. 아내들이여 자기 남편에게 복종하기를 주께 하듯 하라. 남편들아 아내 사랑하기를 그리스도께서 교회를 사랑하신다 같이 하라. So 남성과 여성은 하나님의 형상으로서 영적 가치와 존엄성은 완전히 동등하지만 하나님께서 가정과 교회 내에서 서로 다른 고유한 역할을 주셨다고 봅니다. Unique roles, right?
Yeah.
그리고 평등주의, what's it called in English?
Equality.
No, egalitarianism.
Oh, okay.
So
그거를 중시하라.
남자나 여자나 다 그리스도 예수 안에서 하나다. 오케이? 그러니까 그런 것 같아.
근데 나도 확실히 이런 Christian value 있는 게 marriage에 도움이 되는 것 같아요.
나도 100%. 나는 옛날에 그게 더 막 반대했는데 지금 나이가 들어보니까 이게 더 맞는 말이야.
막 옛날에는 why do I have to obey my husband?
맞아.
막 약간 그런 식이었는데 지금은 약간 이해가
말이
돼.
돼.
이해가 돼.
맞아.
그래.
Like the conservative traditions, like the traditions are there for a reason.
Right.
You know what I mean? But when we're young,
어차피
like,
컨서베티브 하다 보니까 사회는 리버럴하게 움직일 수밖에 없어 over time.
Yeah, because
So conservatism only differs just a little bit in timing difference, but the whole movement 이렇게 리버럴하게 갈 수밖에 없어 사회라는
오빠
거는.
그랬잖아. 마음이 뭐지? Like when you're liberal, it's because you have like a heart. But then
그거는
later,
그 젊었을 때는 젊었을 때는 그 liberal left가 아니면은
마음
heart가 없는 사람이고 나이 먹고도 이제 left면은 이제 좀 brain이 없는
That could be a
거라고.
controversial
뭐
topic,
그런
but
건데.
I fully agree with that at this stage in my life. Because
나이 먹으면 근데 모르겠어. 나이가 먹으면은
해야 돼.
나이가 먹으면 컨서베티브가 되는 건데 근데 또 리버럴이 바보가 아니라 또 젊은 사람들이 또 그렇게 하면서 또 세상이 더 오픈되는 것도 있는 것 같아. It's a good balance.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
overall, the society는 무조건 리버럴하게 갈 수밖에 없어. 내가 봤을 때.
You think so?
당연하지.
Wait, like modern day society?
그냥 봐봐. 그냥 생각해봐. 언제 사회가 더 컨서베티브하게 가. 점점 사회는
좀 더 이렇게 오픈.
계속 and then you're almost 점점 이제 나중에 더 심해지겠지. Where like you lose the boundaries of everything nowadays. Yeah. So 나이가 먹은 사람일수록 더 컨서베티브 할 수밖에 없는 건 내추럴한 것 같아 내 생각에는.
Interesting.
country by country인 것도 있고, right?
And religion too, right?
Yeah, like Pakistan, they went super conservative with
맞아.
the
Yeah,
jobs and
yeah.
stuff.
All right, well, guys, so this marks the end of our podcast. Well, thanks for showing up
No,
today
it was
and
great.
having
It was
a
so much fun.
yeah, having fun conversation. I'm glad that you had fun. Okay, well,
It was really insightful. I
yeah,
think.
we'll have you come out again if you're willing to. We'll probably deal with your role as a social worker,
Okay.
things you have witnessed and things you have
You guys want to hear all the horror stories?
felt.
Yes.
And
I know
your
a couple.
your views on the problems of our society.
I think my job really pertains to the personal is political. It's a really big.
Yeah, I think
portion of my
that's like
job.
another 2-hour long topic
Yeah.
that we can.
Whole nother
Story for another day. Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
All right, well, it was very interesting. I had very good
So
time.
much fun.
Well, thank you so much.
Really, I'm so glad.
I was very appreciative to the guests that say yes to show up to my podcast. Yeah. Okay.
Peter,
well,
you were such a wonderful facilitator. I think
oh,
you
hey,
did
thank you.
amazing.
I think we're all over the place, but thank you.
It was fun.
It was
Alright, let's
real.
go.
It was authentic. I think that's
Exactly.
what matters
Yeah.
in the end. So.
At the end of the day, it's 200 people that watch. So.
You never know,
Yeah.
Peter.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go eat some pho now.
Yay!
All right. Bye bye. See you guys.
와, 근데 너무 나는 오히려 막 이런 걸 떠나서 I feel like I learned a lot from the conversation. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's just like we
That's
were talking
good.
without a camera on, right?
Exactly.